Jamaica man is it, man. That's why
Generally,
they
to go fish.
that's the people they love PMP, you know. Them think they love, you know, the free mentality, you know. So non ambition people, you know.
Well,
Well, that
I
prop,
can
you
tell
know.
you something, but I can tell you something this morning. I want to tell you no pitney, I want to grand pitney. Anyway, then they attack. You know, I told him, you know, I know JLP is me a lick in the head. But anyway, then go and hear people say they love PMP. They love PMP and they love Michael Manley. Walk far from them.
Mm-mm. Real talk, man. Real talk. What one love? Me tell them
Real
this.
talk.
Well, I know. I tell you this. I mention about the life more than one time. You see me? Entire year, PAP can't show PAP government and PAP party and PAP government can't show what them do for Jamaica economical wise, you know. Entire year, somebody support PAP, you know. My come and give them a piece of land around us, or a cow or one piece of all house in beach up around us. Give them. So it's some personal thing with them do, you know. When they
Me
support
know,
PAP. That's
me
nothing
know,
to do with nothing to do with the country, you know,
I true
Reggie.
you talk, man. I go down a West Woodlands. I go down a Darlistan. I go down a Darlistan. And me know a family down there. Not related to me, but I'm a Burton family. And the people them want basically they want cut your head and blind your eye to believe in a PMP. When you investigate, I want farm work ticket PJ you want them one type family.
All
And
right.
in go foreigner. And the greatest thing ever happened to them. One
Yeah.
farm work ticket.
Some personal thing them have to get so they get some for personal benefits and some corrupt something like that. And a rare. Just straight support PNP. Then I don't know nothing to do with the court. That's why PNP that deal with country brethren, that same party. I don't look at one figure for somebody around there. So I have to when they dedicate their life to them, dedicate all their life to them. I have indebted to them for the rest of their life. And tribal, vaccinated. Them still. It's not about Jamaica, brethren. Not what them do about the country, make the atmosphere, make you can't help yourself. Nothing like that. They don't see it that way there. They just want to hand out. They don't realize, say, you feel good when you work with that money. I know, say, why you work your money when that's money from yourself. How you feel? You must feel good. Hey, you work and get your money. How you feel in yourself as a boy? You know, I may work my money, I feel good in yourself. And somebody can give you money. How you feel? How you feel as a person? If you have ambition. Eh?
You know, say, I just said that again. You know. You know, say, I go somewhere yesterday. Yesterday, I did for yesterday, I go on the road to do something. Oh, the day I go pay my bills. And I say, a man where him was, him was a gate man, the 89 Wobrus. Name Bunny. I see him wife, him daughter. So I see him daughter, I say, what go on Bunny daughter? And she turned to me and say, where me know you from? I said, don't worry about that, man. She said, you know same thing do? I said, yeah. She turned to me and said, boy, I not like how they deal with him though. Because if you know say, that man used to eat PMP, drink PMP, sleep PMP, live PMP. And he's a Michael man, the man, you know. She said, me not like how they deal with him when he's dead. I said, oh, but tell him why you did this trick. You serve him purpose. And them not give him no level of independence. So, until in dead, him have to depend on them. No, why me would I want to be indoctrinated by a party? When me have it in my plan, say them figure me when me dead.
I try to joke, man. Joke.
No mad me that mad.
I mean, eh? Yeah, man, government for mine way, man. That them say government for mine to get free money. Government for mine way. Breed how much money woman and go every mind woman every breeder and yeah, man, that them just their mentality.
You can't mind one pitney, but you go fuck and get 5 and 6 and 7.
Yeah, the government for mine them for way.
And when you done, you blame the government. Say the government to make to send you to gas school.
Yes.
The government give you all free condom, but them still fit the gas school.
Yeah, man.
The one blood. The one love. No insanity that man.
They not tell all the while. They tell us there are 2 things they must suffer from. You know. They must suffer from Stockholm syndrome.
One love.
Insanity.
One
Yeah.
love, you know, that's how waiting the run though. As a North Korea run. Government give everything.
Yeah, then, that's why Kim Jong program everybody mind much.
Yeah, man, I ain't God, man. I ain't give them everything. You know,
Remember
response.
say, when you wake up
Nobody on a
when you
personal
wake up in the
responsibility.
morning, when you wake up in the morning, remember say when you turn on the TV, or turn on the radio, the first thing they see are him, And when you go in bed, the last thing they see are him,
Yeah, man. So nobody on a personal responsibility. Him do everything. So I feel thank God that. You see me? Yeah. Anything you get, you
Yeah,
take.
man, no community.
Anything you get dictated or whatever, you have to work with it.
Yeah, man, no
Not
community.
post with their own self as an individual person. You see that?
A community, I want to
So
give
like
up. I want to
that
up
means that
till
a
now.
robot is a puppet. He's a puppet. He's a yes somebody. You can't do nothing for your own conscience. You control. You are controlled as a human being. Not even God Almighty Himself. God Almighty Himself that want love. When in the force of worship Him, much less man I want to come dictate that there's worship Him. Anything He say that. Not even God Himself give a choice. Choice. Greatest give apart from life. God give a choice. The people don't know that.
Chromas, Stockholm syndrome. Take over the PMP.
That's true, man. Yeah, man.
The people them love them aggressor. Abuse them and then love it.
Yeah, man. But I thought I was going to one love. You see the good things I love and the bad things, you know. The negative vibes go. They say negative vibes out there more. I say more people gravitate to negativity more than positivity at all times.
True.
Come on.
True.
Yeah, man. Good.
Dog bite
People tell them
man
all why
step.
now. Truth not gonna popular, you know, no
Man,
matter why, you know. Good things
man
never
bite
popular and
dog
truth
step.
never popular yet. Truth and good things never
Man
popular yet.
bite.
I remember that.
Yeah, man, you're right. You're right.
Wait, they're not gonna
But
like
me,
popular thing.
People come in the box, they don't know nothing. So more people come in the box a while ago, but I say they never say anything.
yeah, even the person named Silent, I don't know what long about me. Me just
Silent
don't have teeth,
Lion.
But them-
That
Yeah.
big woman, Silent Lion, Sonia Kelly, how you doing? Nata?
Somebody asleep too.
Nah, man.
Big woman. Big woman, some move for that scream, but we don't hear nothing. Sanya kill him. Women say move for we don't hear nothing from them. Silent Lion. Silent Lion really silent.
Silent Lion, hi. Sonia
Person might
Kelly.
open too.
Sonia Kelly. Hello?
Hello, hello.
Hi. How you doing?
How are you this morning? I'm good.
I am good. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. I'm at work, but I'm just listening, and I am so blessed on this program. Yes, I am so blessed. You
I know
know?
you said you enjoy listening to us talking.
Yes, yes. I always listen. Always, always. I'm a true born labor right. That can come out of me.
Alright.
Yes,
Good
yes.
morning.
And I'm trying my
Sonia Kelly. Good
yes.
morning.
I'm trying. Good morning. How are you this morning?
I'm good.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm trying my best to see if I can come down for do my voting. I'm in the USA, you know.
Okay, abroad. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm trying my best. My car, everything down there ready for me to come down, man. My voters card, everything is down there. I'm trying my best to come down in August, sometime that time there. Yeah, yeah,
Good
but
morning, Sonia.
good morning. You know, the Lord is with the Prime Minister. He never leave him. He's with him all the way, all the way, all the way. And he's going
Yeah,
to
man.
come through. He's
I
going to
keep him up,
come
man.
through.
Yeah, man. I forgot
Yeah,
Almighty I bless him, man. I keep him, man.
Yes,
Good
I
must
always
good must
when
conquer
I have in
evil.
my
That's what it look like.
devotion, when I
Yeah.
have in my devotion in the morning, I always lift him up you and lift up you guys. You
Yeah, man,
know?
which is right.
Yeah,
Yeah, appreciate it.
yeah,
Thank you.
yes,
Yeah.
I always, and he's going to pull through. He's
Yeah, man.
going to pull
Good over,
through. I know
yeah,
it.
man. Good over
I
evil.
see it.
So, Sanya, it's good over evil.
Yeah.
All the way.
Yes, yes, I
I'm gonna go
see
see
it.
if I book that
Let me
time.
give you an
Good over
example.
evil.
I have my granddaughter. She just graduated from the police force last year, January, and I'm telling you, she buy a car. Just a year she graduated, she buy a car.
Well,
You know,
prosperity.
yes, yes, and she telling the others, her co-workers, say, listen, me grew up and see my grandma a strict laborette and nobody can tell me nothing. And she's 20 and she said, Grandma, I'm going to put my ex beside the bell. I said, you better. Yeah. Yes, he's working in Kingston now in the office. And
Yeah,
give
man. So
what?
I'm follow you already, you know. I'm just realizing I start me that follow you already. I remember you want to come on a live already. I think it's been the first time. I think
Yes.
you give me that story already too.
Yes,
Yes, I
man.
just
Every
remember, you know,
year.
everything about that story.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man. I pray for him every day. And look what? They give him an exam at the time there to get a higher standard. And tell me what? She passed every one of the exam and she's working in the office in Kingston.
Yeah, man, that's nice. That's nice. Very
Yes,
ambitious
yes.
young lady.
Yes, man.
That's nice.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, you
So
know.
what? So
But
what? All of the young youth them in Jamaica will pick it up see away. So what them I
yeah,
listen? What they listen right
and
now?
then I have a
I think
grandson
good
now.
testimony.
He's
Good testimony
18
I give
years.
you. Thank you.
Yes, he's 18 years old. And his friend telling him, listen, no vote for no JLP, because them are wicked. And him say, listen to me. He said to me, listen to me. I have a grandma. My grandma tell me everything about JLP. Me never tell me nothing about PMP. And a JLP, and he's going to be, he's 18 already. So I say, I'm going to vote for JLP. And right now, I tell him to go and get in heart. And he's at heart right now learning.
Yes, man.
He's
Yeah, man.
at heart learning right
That's some good
now.
grandchildren, man. And take them listen to you, man. So they respect you and listen
Yeah,
to you, so they do the right
yeah.
thing.
He's at
Yeah,
heart
this
right now because he always said, Grandma always send a little money for him, because when they're young and whatever. And he said, Grandma, nobody send no more money. No send.
yeah,
He's
man,
learning
right now,
and
but
earning. He's learning and earning.
yes.
Yes, he said, Grandma, no send no more
Yeah, appreciate you,
money.
man. Yeah.
Yes, yes, you know. So they listen to me. They listen to me when I talk to them.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
They
man.
listen. I'm proud of them. Because he could in company needing a hand mingle with ganja and then something there. I said, listen to me. That is not for you. Come out of that. Come
So
out of that. Go and get something in your brain, oh boy. Go.
that yeah,
And
something in
he
your brain,
listen to me.
no weed in your brain. No weed to your brain. Education or some
Right.
skill or something. Yeah.
Yeah, and send a picture to me, and when I look at him, oh my God, the boy is slick. I go heart. Yeah, slick. I go to heart. Yes, man. Yeah, and his electrician, she say him doing,
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah, them story we like here, them story we like here, If it to come top on the live, them and people here who are listening,
yeah, yes,
Yeah, other young
yes,
people are
yes,
listening,
yes,
Good
yes.
testimony, you understand? Yeah,
Mhm.
man.
I have 9 grandchildren and 2 is police now. And this little boy now going to art. And I have like a 5-year-old and if God give me long life, I'm telling them about this
One
government.
of the
This
that's
government.
yeah, one of my brethren that the comment as some DJ friend has asked if him if your grandson enumerate dead to vote. Your
Yes,
grandson.
he did. Yeah, my daughter is in Jamaica. Is his son, and he do everything. Let him know him going to do all of that, getting
Yeah.
ID and everything.
Yeah, Potter.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're still a Potter. Yeah, you would enumerate. Then I'm gonna
Yeah,
vote.
he did. Yes, he did. Because why? He used to do a training at the in at Sanders Ocherias at the hotel, and they have to have a ID and TRN and everything. So he have the new ID, and he do everything. We carry him to the to get to register for do is voting. So he have everything ready.
Yeah, well, that's nice. That's nice. Good to hear.
Yes, he had everything ready. Yes. And everything down at Jamaica for me. I have my ID down, my new ID down there. I have everything down there for me. So I only have to just buy my plane ticket and jump on the plane and go, yeah, me ex beside the bed.
Well, which is right. Which
Oh
is
my
right.
God. Oh my
Which is
God.
right.
I know my Prime Minister come out with excellent. He must come out because I not tap lift him up. In cover under the blood of Jesus, in cover,
Man.
in family, then cover.
What are we are
Yeah.
pray for you, man, differently, man. I hope
Yeah,
my price are
man.
going to see prime minister.
Look
Even
how
out
the man, look how my
they've
Prime
low there
Minister
now.
flourish.
And you
Look
reflect
how
it.
look
We are
nice. Oh my
heal
God,
him.
the man sweet.
Notice, that's about the prime minister. You see the video? You see the video with the night chat here, all of them attack too? You know see that video there?
Yes.
Jesus, we touching him, man.
Mr. Man, I want to come on my eye.
Yeah, man, the old lady must have talked to the old lady that says, I'm going to fix up her and just do that so nice. And say, I'm going to come back for a pension.
You see
Then
this?
she was working at JLS and she used to work at the bus company when young.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, well, a nice one. I interviewed her. She said the person way. Then she said, I had tax and somebody PR fear, the PR tax fear.
Yeah.
Just the prime minister. Nice, man. Yeah, man.
In the building, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate the story though, but I appreciate the testimony to make people hear where I go out with the youths, you know? Art, you know, because some people are going to let no one see the people go art. And what's it, opportunity out there. Yeah.
Yeah, because I have some good friends who come and they call themselves. And sometimes grandma comes.
Can I get low though, Sona? Sona, can I get low here?
Yeah, all right. So I'm just
Yeah.
so I take it up now.
Okay, all right. All right then, Sonia. Take care of a good day, yeah?
You too, yes, okay.
All right.
I come on the program. I get
All right,
encouraged,
cool. Yeah, man.
understanding. Yes, I get more knowledge from who you guys.
Yeah, man. We never say I learn too. We learn from one another, you know? It's like a good thing, you know?
These programs, I know them. I didn't know about others or them wicked and whatever.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
One thing is I learning thing, you know, make the people know where I go another country, not the prosperity where I go.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
Yeah, and the negative, we have to make sure. Is that Jamaica we say, you know, we put Jamaica first in everything we do. And for the use of the future, you know?
Yes. So
Not about us, about our children, our grandchildren coming, you know?
Yeah, man. So you can't take me down now. I will continue to listen because I'm on the job, you know?
Yeah, all right, Sonia.
All right. Thank you for hearing my testimony, guys.
Yeah, man. Yes.
All
Okay.
All
Thank you
right.
for coming on.
Yeah.
You can't take her down, Black Kings. Never take her down.
Yeah.
Yes, take me down now. Yes.
All right. Big man, how you doing? Big woman, good morning.
So, like, big woman asleep. I don't know. I think I'm moving or what? Nah, you know. What? Like, she come to sleep, you know?
It could be the internet connection to, Chroma.
Can't weak.
Maybe internet connection.
The signal could have weak, poor, you know?
Yeah, you see, this Sonia is a perfect example of what is happening in the country. And a lot of persons won't admit to that, They see it happening, but they won't admit to it that is, good things are happening in the country.
Yeah.
Persons are happy. Persons that make money, good money too right now.
Yeah. And look at she's abroad, don't it? And she know everything where I go and I appreciate everything see me. And she's abroad. And our grandkids them are going good. That is lovely. Ambitious grandkids them. That's so nice to hear. Refreshing to hear.
And the recent reclassification for the public sector workers. You see, she said her grandson, her granddaughter, she said?
Granddaughter.
Just graduated just graduated from the police force and can buy a car already.
Yeah.
That tell you that the salary is a good amount of money. You know, that granddaughter could just graduate and buy a car already.
Then
That's
turn.
a lot about the country.
Look, all right. The first business in Jamaica history. Where's the private sector people who left them private sector to go work with government? Work with
Yes,
civil servants.
it is
You ever see that
happening.
yet?
It is happening.
Eh? You
Yeah,
ever see
man.
that in Jamaica before? You
Never
ever see that?
before. Never.
All right, this is the same prep school them. Right now, it's what the same prep school teacher about left prep school and go back to the primary school. And the
That's
prep
what I
school
was
them I
going to
get
tell
knocked
you
down.
about
And them
now.
have to try to raise up their money now. And that me I try to tell you.
Yeah,
No for
man.
the prep school them I get leak right now. And
You
teach
know,
them
it
how to
would be
leave. I go back and work with government in the primary school them.
it would be
Yep.
interesting to see. It would be interesting to see at the moment. Like, I need to ask my son, what is the starting rate for police officers at the moment? You know, because I haven't checked it recently, but I know with the new pay package that come out for them, it would be interesting to see what is the new starting rate for them. Because when you see what's going on, when you hear what's going on in there, that tells me that they are on par with a lot of other countries where they're starting with a police officer are close to it
Yeah.
then.
All right.
I think you might still be behind Trinidad, I believe, and also Barbados. But
Okay.
the package so far is basically one of the best. The force in Jamaica and the teachers and the nurses has ever
Yeah.
got under any administration.
Yeah.
It is the
Right
best. It
now,
is the best so far.
I'll tell you something again. My daughter, my big daughter, she's a pharmacist. She just graduated. You take and go to the pharmacy, whatever.
Yeah.
A pharmacy because she do. All right, let me tell you, say, she tell me, say, pharmacy she want, she tell me, say, none of pharmacy, all who are working at the private pharmacy, they must do right now, because everybody want to work at the drug serve them. The government thing there. Everybody, all the pharmacists, they want to work with government, they don't want to work with a more private pharmacy again, Bridget.
Of
You see me,
course.
because she's a pharmacist right now, my daughter.
Why not?
You see me? Yeah, because I read one of the hardest things, right now, you have to send them application to the government now. One of the hardest things to get for work back with government, in the drugs, in the government system, in the pharmacy, at the hospital, and the drug serve them. That
Yeah,
tell you
man.
that.
There's a backlog now with persons, with applications. Wanting
Yes,
to
everybody
find
want to work with government now. Nobody want to work in a private pharmacy again, Bridget. The pharmacy,
And that
the
that
pharmacy
just
system out
argues
there right now.
well.
Them
That just
are
argues well
screw.
for government. It argues
You
well
have
for
to
the
look, you
government.
know, other pharmacists. We want to tell you right now, you have to look, you know. You have to look, you know, to get a spot for work with that in the government system now as a pharmacy. I tell you, pharmacist, I tell you that.
That argues well for the government.
Yeah.
When you have people
Yeah.
out there who are leaving from the private sector, going in back into the public sector, it argues well for government. They're doing a damn good job. Straight
You
up.
see me?
Yeah.
And by right, it sound good enough and look good now, but by right, even in I forgot, I don't know, at the privacy, they've got to step up now. They have to step up.
Right.
At the reverse, it go. By right, private, supposed to pay more than government in every way you check it out. I just show the benefits to the government. All right, no, but right now, at the opposite, go.
And
Jamaica.
the job security, because you know private sector can get up tomorrow morning and just lay you off. The government
Yes.
not doing that.
Government is more safer. You sure
Yeah.
everything man, with government. You think more secure with government, Bridget, no matter what. It might take longer times or what, but it's sure.
Sure. Your salary is sure.
Your pension, sure, everything that they for sure feel.
Yeah. The PMP won't admit that.
You see me? A PMP bringing contract work, you know, my brother. You know that?
Right. But even
That
even
much
after
of
the
the night, that much
doctors,
of Jamaica, you know, contract work, you know.
look at a lot of the doctors that were on contract. The government to hire them, give them permanent
Yeah.
positions, you know.
And them thing there. PMP bringing contract work.
Isn't it the same thing to
You
be
just
talking
use
about?
it and do whatever with you. And forget.
This is the same thing should be said about the people them that do the solid waste. But all of them come and get
Yes,
permanent jobs.
yes. For years, these people, the street sweepers and the solid,
Yeah, man.
they
The
were
street people,
underworld.
all the people, all the
Yeah,
people that work
they
on the
were,
rubbish truck and them
they
thing
were
there,
in
the security
contract.
guard them. All of them people that go past time and get pension now.
You know, so
Yeah,
them
Government
people
put,
there,
you have to hire them.
one thing where we
You
as
see me?
bloggers need to highlight a bit more as well, you know. We as the bloggers worker, we need to highlight them as well. Because but them come on them they have them a permanent post now after being working for years, not knowing whether them job security or no. And they come now and have
Yeah.
a security.
No, so this all the security them nice, you know. I tell you that.
And people the on staff now wanna get health benefit and uniform and them
Yes.
things. NPM worker.
Yes. That way they say one
Nigel,
love, that way they
Nigel,
say.
Nigel, spell it out in the parliament.
So we should be highlighting them
Oh, yeah.
a bit more as well.
You put your bank contract, go employer go use you and spit you and run away when they want to run your way. And I
You
put them
work,
on and say, nah, nothing forget. That is
you
contract
work,
worker, employer take advantage of you, abuse you.
you
Pay your
work for
bank
your
contract.
entire life, and then when you retire, you have nothing to get.
Yes. The only way you can see something for say that you have to go as a contract worker, you have to go with your work pension thing and say you have to put your something back off of your personal thing, off of yourself. You have to set up everything off for yourself then. As a contract worker, you're smart. The only thing you have to do is go set up your own little pension thing or whatever.
Yeah.
And do what you do. And put your something. You see me?
Real.
You used to somebody just sent me something a while ago, Chromans, that used to have district constables working years. You have a district constable who was about 70 years old and can't retire because when you retire, you have nothing to get.
Yeah, we
But
know
now,
nothing.
since
Yeah, man, a Bobby man
since
to
the
you.
government
A Bobby
come in
man to
now,
you change that, you know.
yeah, and since the government come in, this
As
government
Minister of
come in
National
now,
Security.
change everything. District constables are retired now. District constables can retire before.
One person. We can return on pension.
Then I take a statement. So this government doing a lot of good things, you know.
It's big woman.
I know what you know really
Big woman here.
Over the years, still not. Over the years, the JLP have a way not to sell themselves, you know, because they must say performance. Performance should speak. But if you pay, and that's one reason why PMP always come up with a way by false narrative, you know. Because the PMP, the JLP not really come out and sell themselves. Them do what them do and stay quiet. Expecting to get a reward from people. So them perform. But the PMP always
Yes.
do them best to counter that. So them tell lie. Michael Manley said, Selassie being rather correction. We all know in the meet Emperor Haile Selassie. And
Biggest lie that.
And people used to believe that, and people believe it.
in
That is
terms
what,
of,
but to the point.
of course, people used to believe, especially the Rasta them.
Hey.
That is why it is important now, bloggers and
No,
bloggers like
Michael
us now
Manley,
to
I don't think him.
let the people know.
I don't.
Guys, someone came up in the back, but I can't see them from here.
Correction.
You can't see me.
No, I know your screen dark, so I can't see the name or anything. But you're there. But the screen is dark, bro. How you doing?
I'm there.
All right, all right. I hear that. An idea. The people always go around and spread propaganda and try and control people about him get rather correction weird.
You can't cook something. I can't cook it with the food.
cook plenty food and I eat a little bit.
You know, turn up to eat food past 3 days, though. You know that.
Yeah, they were hungry for
Are you
body.
serious?
I don't
Yeah.
feel hungry
My
for.
God.
Hey, what was the name of the man? We come up with the idea, we conceptualize the idea, and give him the rod of correction. Because it wasn't from Selassie, you know, it was from one of them man
No,
they were running, you know.
I want to be a big criminal, them.
Trevor. Oh Lord. Hold on, man. You tell him, man.
I want to be a criminal man, them.
That man was a criminal.
He was a liar. He was a liar,
I
man.
want
We
that.
should know him name too. We should
I
know
want
him
that.
name, you know.
Aye.
You're all tired, I know. You just see a message. You're all tired, so.
David Poor.
I don't feel
David
hungry for
Poor
one.
and
But outside, I mean,
David Poor.
which is right.
I told him to spar night. Him and David Poor used to spar together. Oh Lord.
Yeah, and they were going.
No, I'm there up on the gully side.
Okay. All right.
Dudley
Yeah.
Thompson.
We're good otherwise, though.
Dudley Thompson, Dino.
Yeah.
Dino.
May I come, the guys?
Okay, yeah. But was our next man, was some of that man, Brother Thompson orchestrated, you know. But was our next one, man. Next man.
David Poor, David Poor
Dudley
and Dudley
Thompson, man.
Thompson
Remember,
lead the way.
one criminal, man. One man they go to jail and come out, man. One of them old PAP criminal, man. You see me? And then calling Joshua to give him the name Joshua.
But answer your text. But same time, I see it in the channel. Me da go do it, but same time.
Understand? And the same man in our one love give him name
JLP channel
Joshua.
is something else.
And the same
So,
rat team
Eh,
come in too.
I already send it out.
Lion self. Yeah, man, and the same man that give the name and calling Joshua to that about rod of character. I see him dirty man there. PNP dirty man there. I him see one man with that thing that go. I feel idea.
Allow no subscribe to the account. Like WhatsApp thing with them have to follow channel and follow the Jamaica Labour Party channel on WhatsApp.
Well, I will pass it in. I'm not sitting. My phone pull up all kind of information. What time have you?
No, I'm asking if you
Is a
follow
new
that. You know when WhatsApp updating, you can follow certain channel them, you can follow. Oh God, oh you can't. Like you can follow different channel. Like you follow Adidas, you follow Netflix, you follow Chelsea, you
follow as much as I
just
can.
one channel with them posting. So that's me. I ask
Okay.
you if you not follow the channel already.
What name?
Name Jamaica Labour Party.
Yeah, Jamaica Labour Party.
Yeah.
who not
on
following
WhatsApp.
start following.
When you go in a status party and look at something where you can follow. On WhatsApp.
Oh, my phone idiot, you know. My friend to me follow. I look for now.
Don't know. And answer me now. If you don't know,
This time my phone idiot and everything I follow up on phone. So anything me work with the phone and
them
with that.
on WhatsApp, when you click on your status, you see them. You see different channels.
Yeah.
Like they and whatever.
Candy, it's under the status, right? The status
Yes,
area.
over the status
Oh,
part.
yeah. We just a see it now. Just a see.
Yeah.
Like I run, you're a town candidate, Candy. Why you run a community, you know?
Yo, I'm running a day for.
Yeah, run against it.
Where I say?
Come support you.
I'm Michelle. Me like to run.
Okay.
Adrian Smith.
Michelle Tama.
Oh,
Candy,
Yeah.
at the council, right?
Everybody else
Yeah.
at the country today, you know. You know that Candy. You want to change what everybody else at the country. You should have run against him, man.
Me? Run against
Yeah.
Hilton.
If he's a cheap of money, you can't run against him. Cheap of money. If he's a can't run against him.
Let me tell you. Me can't just, me, you have to be optimistic for certain things. Now I just run, go jump, go run him. But I have to to the council.
You can't win. Yes, you know you have to still. You know why
I
those
don't
runs. You want to win. You want to win.
Yeah, I mean, I
You
want
run.
to. Must nobody know them not know me to a level we say. But if me I do the council thing, I'm try it. For people who know me, my people them in my
Oh yeah.
area.
You want to go to the you want to work as a counselor. Oh yeah. Can't put on the still. You can't do
No, I'm basically I say no. Yes, do any part division, people them would have know me. At the end of the day, after you do any part division, people them know me, right? Then after you have to spread your wing. You can't
spread out.
spread your
Yes.
wing.
Yes.
You have to go make your own know you first. Then you have to
Yeah. Yeah.
you have to make your own know you. Then when them know you now, then you spread your wing. Because they will ask.
Yes. What made the question me ask you know, for start out now, you start out as a counselor in your community first.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? I said, you can't start from this, you have quick before you walk. So you go.
yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that. But you can't get involved in the politics. That I tell you, get involved in the politics then. That way then.
Councils I get good money now too.
Yeah. But is that service? Is that service? Is that service? Is that service still? Money will come with it still. When I want to put that now, I focus on the money, but you do it as a
And
service.
the
Yeah.
money, listen,
Yeah,
But
yeah.
money will come with it.
I'm just saying that the pay is better.
500.
Just
listen, money is
500,000
it is about money to you know. It is about money to you know, but you have to
Yes.
understand.
you have to survive.
Service come
Yes,
first, and the money.
reality.
Doing the
You have to
service, you don't know what
survive.
other people. This is what I say.
Sometimes you have to be real with the people them too.
This is what I say, no?
Yeah.
Doing the service, while I'm not doing the service, the money will come with it. Nobody
Yeah.
not going to work free. People have to eat and people have to survive.
Yeah,
You know, we
nobody not worried
understand that.
but at the end of the
Yes.
day, but at the
Yeah,
end of
but
the day, you have some people who genuinely want change and they will work
yes, you focus
without
on
whether
that.
you have money or not.
Money
But thing
will,
about
money,
it is
as
that
I
it's
said,
the
the money
way
will
how
come.
you come. It is the way how you go to the people. Then you understand it. As some people
Yes, yes.
genuinely work and genuinely want change, but if you have to
All
go
right,
to
you
them
know,
a
even my
certain
girl, let me say, my girl right now, where she there? When I know she could run for councillor right now. To oh, Miss China move, you know, she go hard because she work, you know.
yeah.
After that, in a fair constituency, Miss China work hard with MP, everybody. She don't there work your part, rate
Hold
hard.
on,
Miss Chin, me
council
at
don't get
her.
money. Council don't
Yeah,
get paid.
council get money, yeah.
Oh,
What me just a
I'm
say, but
you
you
want
have
to
to
get paid, Black
have to
King, man.
win
But
to
of
get
course, you have to
money,
get
though.
paid.
But what me I
oh.
try to say is that
Yeah.
sometimes you just have to just be real and frank with the people them here and come
I want to tell you, say,
sometimes
listen this. Hold on, Kiana. Let me say something to Black King there. I want to tell you, say, the council of them. I want to listen to me, I say, to no. That the council of them, call them have more money or more than the MP more time. And that, me, I tell you.
yeah, true, but at the end of the day, crumbers. The problem with me
No,
I
Black
have
King,
with
you
some of
not
them,
talking about Kiana. Black King, just a three months if they don't get paid, the council, them don't
me
get paid.
know. You have some
Yeah,
of them
no.
councillor, you have some of them councillor, MP, caretaker, right?
Because they have their own budget, you know. Local government have their own budget and the council and me and people have their own money, you know, brother. They get to have a
Yeah.
sign and I can permit and I can see have a pay for them, you
Yeah.
know, brother.
We are talking
They
about
have
the
their own
caretaker.
budget, they have their own money, brother.
You
They have their
know,
own.
I just the caretaker them chroma. You see the caretaker them who are running at the seat them when if you stop, go to the people them like say on a reach. And that's the problem with some on sometimes.
One more
Una
have a
go
chat
like
with
on a reach already. Una
I need
go
to have a
and
chat with
all
some
in
of
like
the councillors.
But the council have them problem, have them part that.
I not just counts no me I talk about the caretaker, I not talk about the
You
MP.
take of them.
Yeah, the
Oh.
caretaker them. Some of them are going like them reach already in the thing. Listen, no just a run. Here what some of them go to the people them, especially in the garrison part them where PMP when them are run. Them are going to the garrison them and I have to buy out PMP. PMP can't change. So the little money wanna come with and I buy out them people there. Wanna stop the foolishness and go to the people them frank and make the people them know say,
Yeah,
hey,
people that just name them out and still vote PMPs.
exactly. And them nah go for them. Them
Nobody
money
not refuse. I want
for
the
them
people, you know,
people.
Jamaican people and all, they not refuse money, you know, my brother.
Crummers and them money even look for them people and drop
Oh.
the amount of money with them.
But anyway, take talk like you this, the politics still. Even you say, all we are encouraged say, I'm going to the council that thing or whatever. Politics, I think I take money still, you know. I tell you that, because sometimes you have to want money, you know.
Nah, they don't take the money.
The party, they defend people back here with the money, you know. So if we go in the politics, we have to tell the people for that whole. You have to have your money, my brother. I
Come
tell you
on,
that.
you have to
But
have
still
the
not
money,
cheap.
but you have to know how to spend the money. You
Yeah,
can't go
no,
with
what
your
may I
money
say?
and then.
What may I say, Candy? No, but it's not about the spending part. That's what you said right a while ago. You cannot waste food upon blackboard. Nah, leave that for that.
Exactly.
Yeah, may
You
I say,
have to
but may I
know your
say, if the
money.
politics are old stuff, whether politics, to me, they are encouraging us if you can go run as a council, but when we look into it, there's a lot of money still.
Yeah, you have to have money for it. You have to have
Just
money
go
for
for running
it.
as a council, you have to, yeah, man,
You can't
politics
just
take
run
man.
politics.
You can't check here, that's what Eddie tell me, they take it here still. No matter where you check it out.
The thing about it is that you have some,
But
let me tell you, you see, if you're going out and link it with the right people, them, we can support
you
some
can't get
people
help,
and
you
stuff.
can't get sponsors and help us
In
still.
a some constituency, you know, really and truly, not for the people them even really care about the money. Them just want change. Like
Yes.
I call a division where you know a semi-average people they just you know have their money. They not sponsor nobody, they not wait on
Mm-hmm.
politicians to give them a money. You understand? So when you
Yeah.
look on it, really, it depends on who you go around and who you look for.
Yeah.
Because if you go to
But
the
a
people
general, but
them
when I say can,
outright
but a
know
general statement, but a general statement me I make still, and I like how your personal thing, not about a general
no,
basis.
but me I make a general statement too, so people can
Yeah, yeah.
understand and know and fix up them campaign strategy. Just if you go in a certain place and it's to say a man in a community hold a high standard, try to link with that man there. Try to link with that person. Okay, you know the people in the community look up to the person there. If you go there and you go like you want this, like say romance, me around on your place. You're a big man in the business. People know you. Yeah, labor and me want this you. You feel say your people them all come vote for me. You
No.
can't do them something there.
Yeah, yeah, I respect. Yeah, man, understand. Yeah,
Link
man.
with who
Real
have the
talk.
people them behind them.
Yeah, man, I real talk, man.
But
So,
you do much thing, remember I know, you are the man with the money in a constituency and you do much thing to people, you put on much back to school tree. You put, remember I know if you have the money and you do them something then and you endorsing me not have to come in them no only for money either, you know. Cause you do
yeah.
not do that already. People
Mm.
them don't look up to you, so you draw a crowd behind you. So when you come and put your support behind you, your crowd them are gonna come too.
Yeah. Same say
That's
go.
the problem.
Yeah, but
When
but
nobody people
anyway,
caretaker
it's all
and
a source of it, you know. A source of it.
councillor have they must go in the constituents them and they must see the big man them where the people them look up to and try to disrespect them
No, that can't work. You can't do that.
and try to push them out
No,
and
you
try
can't
to
do that.
link with them and that's the problem.
So what was the white Virgin I run Labour Virgin I run by your or what ticket there? Well, the big man they just come down for the life. Not
You
now what
read between the lines, you know.
Hmm?
If you read between the lines, you know.
Yeah, but me just ask that up front. Me just to me know that a
That's
Virgin
why
I
me
run.
tell us if you read between the lines.
Oh,
Black King
right.
understand what me say read between the lines.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You have to read between the lines.
Mm.
That's why me I make a general statement for everybody understand. You can't go in the
Yeah.
place and this and a something that the people them
I understand what I say.
But
I create problem and sitting between the people them.
is it
No,
a
but
case?
you're seen a man in the politics long time for know that too. You know, supposed to say, I'm a rookie. You're supposed to know certain things too, don't it?
Some of them are rookie. Some of them just want to go into politics because them have little money and feel like if of them were going to politics, they don't really care about the people them and that's just the truth.
But that is all about politics. It's all about keeping people and country on a bigger basis. And the
Because some of
community.
you guys,
And the community make up the country.
Me and you might have going into politics with the intention of caring for the people. You have other people we are going there with not with
Yeah,
that
selfish
intention.
gain.
They
You
are
know,
going there with the money
good for themselves, you know, selfish.
and for themselves and them family, and that
Yeah.
is not the case.
Yeah, selfishness, yeah. So them also them are looking up.
That's not the case.
But yeah, well, that's why I say abroad. That's why I say me have to respect people abroad. A politician abroad, America, Canada, England, and place. Say, if you don't have a certain amount of money, you can't go into politics. And that me I tell you. You have a threshold. You have to have a certain amount of money before you can start
No,
thinking
it's
about
not even
politics.
about the money. Because you have enough of them out there, them have a whole heap of money, but them still not
Yeah,
care
when me
about
attack a general statement, me attack all that. You know, what me I say? You see, some of them we attack all that. Some of them are going to politics. Some of them are going to go scrape as we said a while ago. The selfishness of them family. I see them are looking up. Remember that you know, most people go to things. Jamaican thing, I'm going to sit and look to get sitting out tight, you know. They're not think about serve, you know. Most of them are going to politics, especially for the PMP side. It's all about the script for themselves.
Enough of them
Themselves.
have them business and say, okay, we can look for Mark Golding and Bunting. Look what them do to Fins. Look what them are
Yeah,
doing.
the still have script.
Them are trying
They claim
to
that
steal
post money.
scrape, so,
All right, but
and them have them
can
money.
That's
but
what
can even Mark Golding, before even going on politics, people are saying put him money. Him money before. But look at him do a script same way. But what him have.
The proven wealth to go down there, and money them a look.
Yeah.
Them a go take out the kitty, the reserve we have there.
Yeah, cause our reaction upon them, because God not sleep. That's why certain things that reach them, you know. They were criminal. That do for wickedness to Jamaican people from things like everything with them do. But them a look for script. That's why I reaction upon them, man. Actually, a reaction.
That's why I tell a
Them
man
can't survive.
say, Crowman, that's why I mean tell a man say, certain seat and certain constituency easy to win, but I just them now put the right people, them now go in a seat, and them now go with the right campaign strategy and the
But they
right
said easy to win, but they can't win. Some of them not gonna say easy, but they can't win.
some of them
Yes.
easy to win. I'm not ask you. I'm not talk like my
I'm gonna
bullets.
put the easy part on it. I'm gonna put in the work same way or whatever.
You
You
have
see
to
me?
put in work same way, but you have to make the people sometimes.
Yeah, but I'm gonna put the word easy, but it can't win. None of them can win.
easy
Know that.
to win.
So can they?
I'm gonna put the easy part on it.
Can they?
Yes, sir, but it can win.
What do you think about that?
That's why I'm saying some of the people. Some of the people.
Hang on. Why not? Hey, my thing is just logging when it comes to the internet. Is a bit.
You know, them family.
If you guys send me a request to come up in the box, I'll do it.
Tina and I family house, you know.
Okay. If you guys send me a request to come up in the box,
Rockstone.
because the internet been logging from morning, it take long. So sorry about that.
That can't wait, say.
Yeah, I was asking you, what
Rockstone and I come in our box.
do you think
Rockstone and I come in our box.
King of actually sitting. Wait, say.
Me to ask you what you think about Mark Golden seat. Is it winnable?
Alright, it's a Mark Golden seat now.
Yeah.
Alright. Me gonna be real with you.
Mm-hmm.
It's not easy. It is not an easy seat to win, right? The only candidate I say can go down there and pose a threat to Mark Golden is somebody when know him tricks and him trade and coming from his ground and know about him. You understand?
No way I gonna say still.
In that
So-
case, that young lady.
In that case, only somebody who can go down there and put up a fight against Mark Golden is Venetia. Any other body else, it not go well.
You alone say so. I will power else say so. Everybody says so. And you alone say so.
And that's just the reality because she know their tricks and she know their trade and she know what they are for. And because people see that and know that she's from them
Well,
and
you are-
let them steer.
Well, you want to is them places still. Candy. I tell you something. She give a good fight, give a close competition. But here one is them place Candy. Then Garris today. A bad man thing run them place at Tweed Origin. I tell her that straight.
Yeah, but you have
Take
to
a-
yes, Chrome has a bad man thing around there, so you have to
Come on,
understand
force. You see, you already know what
certain
place.
level straight.
A system. Rather know a badness and system or whatever. Dictatorship go around every place.
Chrome has to listen now. Bears bad
Yeah,
in
listen to you.
straight. But when you and the bad man them now link again and them not inna you and them not have no fear inna you feel them business with you.
No, me not. I know some buy that story. Like when they come at the election, are different. Then join up together. See we I tell her that. You know PMP. Me a big man. No PMP still. Nobody is this scrum club has got right now.
Alright,
Really?
so all them have it to say down at a wish part road that win because King and Bunting follow why she win.
No, cause you know
Them
that's
follow
that.
long time.
Hold on, can they ask me? Answer you know.
Win.
That is that. Hold on, that is that different scenario. Guy, remember says King. Listen, no. You have to listen sometime, you know. This is a different scenario. Don't the so that the man having money, having links, and control people. So that the man say who that the man that rare draw certain things and certain from bunting or whatever rare. And I'm gonna do what the dance say. That is a different scenario that. The man powerful long as a bridge. You see it?
Oh, so what if them decide to agree we are go with? So no still the done.
No, that me I try to show that film
No,
that me
but
I
that's
try
what
to
I'm saying to you. So what if they decide? But you say when at election time things run different. So that's what me I show you. Say at the same scenario. Him and Bunting fall out long before election, and then they
don't have
never.
people that run. Alright, so the man so that run people and also don't got jungle run. Everybody are individual people are jungle, you know, brother.
But me
Everybody
I
are them
tell it, but me I try to show you say at the
them
same
working out one
scenario.
them people.
Romance.
Everybody do them one thing we not don't got it done. The done work
Me
Okay,
kind
let
of
me
one.
point
maybe
out.
blocking you understand. Blocking you understand what me I try to say?
Thomas.
No, listen what me I say to you, hold on there.
Thomas. Me follow what she say now.
Me I hear a black king.
Yeah, man. Me follow what she say now because we all here say we all hear about grumbling on there. We all know that there is some recording that have come out where people are playing about things that is going on down there. But if you're saying what's going on down by
No, listen what me
in
I say black king. Alright.
Manchester, one
No,
second.
blocking finish romance.
If you are saying the same scenario with what is going on in Manchester, let me ask you a question with that, Chroma. Are you saying that skank people them in Manchester would have said tell them not to vote for Bunting, but they should vote for Rhoda? Or tell them not vote at all? But
Yeah.
okay, so what?
The Dan have the power I say, but here one now, it's not I want to listen to me I say don't listen to me I say no. Don't jungle no Arnett Garden is a different thing. You have many dance in the Arnett Garden. You have a splinter in the Arnett Garden. They don't come on one Arnett. Everybody do their own thing down there so.
Good
They don't come on one Arnett. It's like us king, like how Dan have it on one umbrella down a feed down Manchester there so.
Yeah.
In the works Arnett Garden. You have different faction and different Dan everybody do their own thing.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? You understand what I say now, Black King?
Afternoon.
You have different splinter, you have a splinter. You have afternoon, baby. You see me?
I agree with you. I agree with you, Chromas. They turn run under one order, so that can't go on this. Can't go on this. They turn run under one order. Many dance there on it. They saw.
Yeah, man, splinter.
Okay, so you guys saying
would be hard to win.
one down there Manchester.
Boy,
Once everything under one.
Listen.
The difference with the Dan in Manchester, Black King, is a millionaire, maybe a billionaire than that, Those in the ghetto, they're scraping.
Me know not talking. Me listen. Me know about the man of Manchester talking.
He's a billionaire than him having money.
Contractor. He's a legal contractor. Can still get contract when the government?
He having money, Chroma, so him will come and respect this. But the splinter, let them look get to there. It's hard.
Exactly. Them a work and money. Them a work for who the highest bidder, and then as well, Chromas saying one done that so.
Chroma's right, but let me say something now, please.
That's why they always try to be careful who control the space.
All right.
Listen, let me say something now, please. You remember in a sentence, one of the first one of them call him the Dana Kingpin. Remember, when the Kingpin, Big Jugs Kingpin, is when that man start putting money towards the JLP, them extradite him to the US, I wonder if you follow where me I say out, right? Where me I come from. Because Chroma's right, jungle can't where any name there. Go down so easy. You have to get rid of all of the little splinters then. That me have to say. So both right,
So our down here talk about down West Kingston there. Extradite. If I see him down here talk about the last down here talk about.
Me I talk in a sentence.
I don't like call name and I just ask something.
No, in a sentence
talk about.
No man, sentence me I talk, man. Sentence.
Okay. We take that. Takes along a Western Kingston in that about the dance.
No, man, I'm not Western Kingston. I'm talking a sentence, man.
Okay, all right.
Mm-hmm.
That differently. All right, cool. I'm not for that say what I say then. All right.
Okay. So when that man start pull back in money from them people and start put it towards a man where man him grew up together and him want difference, that's how them extradite that man to the US and send for him. And me can call any name too. Ever hear about the man where come from down a sentence when he Dido? He me a talk about the whole heap of chop them in Jamaica. Him.
Deed of them hard.
Hmm?
Deed of them hard.
Okay. Them hard. Yeah. Thank you, brother. And I could elaborate more, but I got just know that alone.
That's why I'm going to talk about details. We are talking about certain type of people. They're going to talk about details. I just know that who know just know. Understand?
I go show you I'm blocking a level half here. Why me say me just pull back, you know?
Well, yeah, man,
Yeah.
good. So Rockstone, where you going with?
I'm here, honey.
Man, see that man say there, man. Yeah. That was Gemini then. She not follow you today.
No, man, you see, she look about one little man, but him kind of have dementia, him miserable man, so,
No, we're good, man. That's show me a trouble,
yeah,
man.
him miserable. No, like
So
my
say in
client,
our
when
back,
me bathe her, feed her, everything, she lie down and sleep. That the man, him miserable.
yeah, man. That's me know you're not for sometime. That's show me a trouble, man.
Mm-hmm.
You have to do what you have to do, man. I say, go. Do it.
Then come on, they didn't say she was there earlier, you know. She was in the chat earlier, you
Yeah,
know.
man. I went at this man now. Me earlier when I yesterday, me not talk to her. You know,
Yesterday I was talking to her.
Yesterday.
yeah, yesterday me not big her up, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But she was in the chat earlier as well.
So I'm the man, you know, I'm the man that compliments the ladies, them, man. You know, so I might think that, man.
Because the chichi man not in a labor rights.
Yeah,
Labor right
that
love the
compliment too, man.
ladies. Labor right men love the ladies.
Yeah, man, which is right, don't it?
Oh, you
Yeah, man.
mean
Adam and Eve, that Adam and
100%.
Steve, you know? Where you say Rockstone, Adam and Eve, that Adam and Steve. Plug and socket.
Exactly, my dear.
That's
Exactly.
how we rock it, you know? That's how we rock it, you know? Plug and socket, that's how we rock it, no?
Yeah.
We are
DJ
for the middle.
Promise.
For the middle.
Yeah.
Over Sandstorm, the hype there, you know. Hey.
You can't see over there, man. Me alright, yeah, too.
Me surprised to
Churchill
see a
over
lot
there.
over there in a box in a DJ.
Each of them own enough.
Yeah, me know, but me surprised. Me see Lashika over there, because me never see her over there yet.
Okay.
Who was over there?
On my platform, that. On my platform, that. So nobody not gonna see me over there.
No, so you crazy? I was just surprised when I saw her over there. Me a scroll and me saw her up in the bar.
Me understand what you say, man.
I was surprised because you know of our high level of intelligence. You know, me no know. Me stop me leave
Some of them
people
just
alone.
come from people platform and tell people say don't go.
Yeah, but she feels that she can't conquer some people over there, I don't know.
Thomas,
I feel
when
I
me a
think
left
so.
my yard, go a people gateway, go get disrespect. I saw me love disrespect and people put me down.
That's
You
why I'm
crazy?
gonna post.
Did you say
Gonna
Lashika
post,
was over
can't
there?
post, can't. I'm gonna post, can't shit fire, you know. They run them joke there still.
Me no run them serious throat the Chromas.
You know, Lashika me say yesterday that she not going over to on them platform.
She over there. She, Gusto, Churchill, open discussion. You know, say open discussion, freelance, Kerry. The whole of them over there up in a box. And Howard and you Richards, that talk all sort of garbage as usual.
You see it?
And you know, I pay disrespect in the comments. Take that
Rockstone?
girl there out of the box and all them stuff. They pay
Rockstone?
disrespect in the comments.
Rockstone?
Yes, there?
Why? You see, whenever them come from my life and me bring up who me want bring up in my box and them tell me if you take down out of my box, me not going to do it because the level of hypocrisy between
Yes,
is not
Candy.
right.
Do your
You
thing.
a come from you a cuss, you a come from somebody platform. What the person they are doing a box. And when you check a stuff, you gone over the people them life in the same box and catch up.
Candy,
So
that's
why
why,
them can't
that's why
come
I'm
from
struggling at the
life?
moment, Candy. I am struggling with the hypocrisy at the moment, Candy.
Yes.
I am struggling with it. The same set of people move over.
Listen, hold on the Black
People move over
King.
to what a few weeks ago.
Listen, I would appreciate it if you not talk about your fellow laborers, because yesterday I was on the me did not make the panic, but me never there in a box Black King, and Plank was talking
Oh, when
about a
Plank was
certain
talking.
individual, yeah. And then last night I went on a live, and the person was saying that them shame for hear another laborer to tear down another, and everybody over there, nobody now set it down and whatever. And the next individual said to the
With all
person,
due
say,
respect, Fabulous, let me tell you something. The best of family have disagreement. So let them talk.
I'm never like it, come
You
and
see,
say the
some
person say
people
them
can,
come from the
you see,
fire
some
youth
people
page.
prosperity, they get a lot of respect more than some. Why, when certain individual putting on person, they're afraid to scold that individual? Let it make sense to me.
Listen to me, prosperity. Listen to me. Once you disrespect me in a public, me a disrespect you in a public. If you disrespect me off the ear, then me disrespect you off the ear. It is not
The
necessary
better people, the
somebody
better
off the
people
ear
have disagreement.
and the
Let me
ear.
tell you something. I used to work with the Vickers up in Beverly Hills. They have the biggest season store on Princess Street. And that man beat that woman, God, that man beat that woman, come. And when them get up in the morning and jump in at his and her Benz and head downtown, you wouldn't know what happened last night.
I can't eat. I can't eat at the
They have
store.
the, yes. The biggest season store they have on King Street, the Vickers.
Mm-hmm.
Carl and Elaine, K and E. They have three
Can't eat,
children.
yes.
They unalive one that was a DC, David and Anne-Marie leave. So let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Something we done behind closed doors. We're good for the goose, good for the gander. You can't shield one person and the one person I disrespect everybody. Come on. What? People are feeling prosperity, man. People have to talk. You no matter when
Listen,
nobody
when
wants, nobody no kill,
probably
nobody not
because the rest
analyze
of us
nobody.
don't have bachelor's degree.
Prosperity.
That don't mean so if I have a bachelor degree, if it is somebody when I have no degree. Enough people have bachelor degree and I have no sense.
Or because they are more well informed. I don't know. I'm just saying.
Prosperity, me, I want somebody when nobody not gonna like, you know. You see, if you offend me, I'm gonna come and say it to you. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow and I'm gonna say, good morning. If you don't want to answer me, that's your business. I get what is on my chest off. In me, now let it stay down there and kill me.
Let me mind about what Rockstone. You see me? That's why I have to have some people. You have a wolf for that sheep clothing. You see, have some people feel them more than people for them. And so when me talk about all the while, them have more ego and them underrate people. And them feel some people, and go some people them big up and I say, boy, them have information about that people or whatever. That favoritism going all the while. That privacy is really go up and down, but we can allow it still. Because when they talk, no people try to calm me down. And I want me to talk, so I allow it. Rigid. Just anytime I just pull up, I feel like I pull up and like it. You just feel pull up, I just pull up and stay in the comments. I'm gonna find something else to do. And nobody not feel, nobody
Me
not
to
feel this.
DJ, me hardly come on live from what day, you know. Me hardly join the
This
live.
have a
Me
whole
will
lot of love of the
listen.
country. I'm support the Jamaican Labour Party and the love of the country because we just have a one. We don't get paid for them something. Yeah. We never have to come by us for nothing. We can't live without this.
Exactly.
Yes. And nobody not pay me. So just come to me. I just love of the country, I love our party. They say I want the future for my youth, them. We're going to pick them youth where I come.
You know,
Yes,
so
man.
this is one
That's why I say
certain
come to
girl go
this.
live, and them the certain girl did have some beef with that said individual there, and me not see that girl there go live again. Me see she go live
And
again.
prosperity, that's why I choose the life that I jump up in them box. You know, much of them pass and them invite me in them box, and I do not go in there. I do not, because you know why? I don't have to be in this box to prove that I'm a laborite.
So,
When the final
what I say?
meal,
But nobody not
prosperity,
know
when the
more
I don't
vote
want
final
than
to
nobody.
meal,
Nobody
when the
not know more
final
vote than
prosperity.
nobody.
meal
Now.
going into my coffin, I will still be a
Prosperity.
laborite.
Everybody have one
Prosperity
vote.
and Rockstone. Well, I know. I know. One Friday night, I'm more than one of them too. Yeah, you have a meal, I do the similar thing. Right now, I go over like them. You see me?
Oh
You
boy.
have a, you have a meal, have him eager and a girl and a rare and I try to style people too. I do a bag of things. Them a wolf in a sheep clothing here. For them, let me tell you that. Yeah,
Hey, Chromas.
yeah.
Chromas. A small talk still in about them nearly avoid me now. If him go on a live and say man, you know, and say no, and vice versa, you know. If him come on the live
All
and
right,
you know, say no, you know.
all right. No, them man they don't undercover bridge in secret. They undercover, them undercover. Them stage
Mister,
man they undercover Judas
Chroma
here.
left me lie down on the ice in the dead house. And I dream, my spirit dream, say me vote for PMP, man. Me a dead twice. Let me tell you now that. So, nobody can talk to me. And no little street politics, me fight. As a woman, you see me right here, so. That's why more time is so passionate about my
Kali,
prime
you see that
minister.
way here, there? All right.
And
Kali,
me
see me
and no
come by him live, we get to
anti-oldness
know
labor
you
right.
as a van.
Me a come from Buster man to
All right, and I'm
straight
gonna
to
tell you
Andrew
now. See
oldness.
you.
Me and no Andrew oldness labor right.
So you're saying
All
a
right, so you
Buster
put
right?
your thing,
Me a come
Rockstone,
from
don't it?
Buster
Labor right, don't
Shearer
it?
come
You see, I
straight
am
from
sure.
one love. Andrew my son
You see
Is
the
a
now.
one name there?
Buster right?
What you mean?
Buster right, Buster right.
Tiago right. Shearer right.
What
You
may I tell
name
you?
it.
Say? One
Bruce
love, you
right.
see
You
she?
name it. Then
You see
Andrew my
Rockstone, you see
son
she?
now.
You see?
Yeah.
Yo, what may I say? Rockstone, one love, you see she and Zavani, the ramp with them two women there. The woman have foundation labor right, two women there. That's just them parts, you know. Zavani, G keeper yesterday, and one normal woman that night, here.
Yeah,
The woman a warrior.
G
Yeah, man,
keeper,
a warrior at the Labor Party. Rockstone, you see so?
yeah,
The woman a
she's still on the
warrior.
G keeper still
That's
on the
just
old
them
politics in
people,
our you know.
yeah, man, that's just it. I said I want to respect for them two female that directly come on to hardcore. It's hardcore blood feed politics and original politics, long time politics. Them women around that. They have the experience and live through it, brother. Chian Zavani, they name the gatekeeper. I'm up the gatekeeper
So you
now.
say
And
I
them
live
A little
people them.
chuck me there and I go pan campaign chromas. You think a little
I
gunshot
live
me duck and stone and sitting? Heck, some of them go sit down here.
a right woman them.
Yeah, man, them people, yeah, man, how you
Yeah, man.
man?
You have to pay respect to them people, you know.
My father always tell me say, my father always tell me say, my listen for years say me drop out. Cause me as them, you see me all up and on my
You know?
skin, I itch me. Cause politics time now me should have there Jamaica. But you know the thing said.
Yeah.
Well,
What may I tell you, say? We respect all
the
females,
advice,
you know, we are campaigning for labor rights, you know. But it's them two special lady here. Because the one the rest of the ladies and peace say, we feel similar respect them, I campaign for labor. All the labor women, them I love them. But they
I
say
may be
two,
telling you
end up them,
something. Me and no all woman. Me
them
have
two different ones are
4,000 in
different.
same age group right there. So me not all, but me start from me young.
Yeah, we know that, man. They're actually know some know your age, man. Me and I see your age bracket, man. We know that, man. But me I say, you're a big woman, night, you have foundation, that thing, no matter what your age, your number. Always you start out long time. You have foundation long time in I think. Savannah, a big woman too. You see me
Remember,
gatekeeper, the
Savannah,
woman
a big
tonight. Them
woman for
respect all the
me.
females
Big
that
woman for
campaign.
me.
The Jamaican Labour Party, but the woman, yeah.
Let's put yourself on Drake.
A lot of respect due to them big woman, yeah, man. Yeah.
Walk on. La Chica. Sorry, not La Chica. Prosperity.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. So, yesterday, when these guys was on my live talking, I get a phone call. I was going off somewhere. I get a phone call, and the phone call I've received was to do with exactly what you said you heard. To do with that, and the person saying to me like, "Why you make people on your live discussing about someone else? It don't sound good." And I said to and the person saying, "Listen." And nobody who we have years of so somebody well known in the circle, and the person said, "Listen, why is it happening? Why you make that happening?" And I'm like, "Listen, it's not about I'm making anything happen. I'm not having an idea. I'm here talking to you." And while I was here talking, they start the conversation and they went on to start calling names. I then paused it and I'm like, "Guys, stop. We're not
Yes,
done.
and even next individual was saying that, come on for that, come on for that, come
We're
on
not
for that.
done."
So I
I said,
was
"Guys, stop.
surprised
We're
when
not
I
done."
hear.
I was on the phone line with someone else, with a person talking. I'm trying to say to the on a done montage, you know, in a sense to the on to them subject. And the only thing I would say to my people in here is that when someone says to you guys, don't just listen and don't start the thing on a done. Because people are calling and say, boy, not sound good. On here bringing down on our one people. And you know, the person who called me, you know, nothing to do with him, but then hear what's going on. I mean, I wonder how the person I get my number, but then I realize my number is in you know, a few of these chats. And so they come in and said to me like, why you allow it to happen? I'm like, it's not about I'm not allowing things to happen.
You know, when a WhatsApp group black thing. If you're in a WhatsApp group, your number automatically go into the group. You see me? If you're in a WhatsApp group, you see me?
It's out there.
Your phone number.
It's out there. But I'm just saying this to say, like, more time, guys, when people say to you guys, stop, I'm gonna just listen and done the thing, man. But you know, because for me, I understand what the person is saying. You know, like the whole for cash business and
Class.
you know,
Yeah.
And I heard it.
I
I
don't
agree with
mind
that
It
thing.
neither
You
Black
know,
King. That's why I
something
said
what
to
we
them,
discuss
I said,
internally.
if and when the
Something
few
we must
boxes
keep
that I come
internally.
up into, if I hear any cascas, I'm gonna jump. Me don't know if me I jump in a whale mouth, a shark mouth, or a barracuda mouth, but I'm going to jump ship. I'm not gonna stay in that box.
Facts. I mean, you dip on it yesterday. I said, don't, and nobody no want to listen. I'm
exactly.
gonna just keep my mouth shut.
Yeah.
I was on the line with
Something you must just keep internally, you know. Just
Well, Rockstone. Well, I forget about that. We'll come off of that now. Rockstone.
That is it, Romans.
How are you? Yeah. I laugh. You know what I laugh at now?
Me know.
What we got access to?
Me know. When I we look up conversation.
Yeah?
Now when I care about.
We say, what do you when Rusty come down box and coach at the woman in the road girl like thief?
Come on, me not like disrespect.
This guy jump out of it. Everybody who like everybody.
Thomas, be fair and be honest. Looking nice, good conversation we da have.
Now watch it now. Not every tap on something else.
No, I'm
No,
ready.
man, no. You know, see me a laugh. You know, see me a laugh.
No, man, leave
Yeah.
that alone, no, man.
if you jump on something,
And the joke just the man don't disappear. So I laugh, I start laughing. I'll chuck says,
No, sir.
all right.
Murder is
So we're gonna talk about
a murder.
We talk about the Dennis Garden building. I will talk about.
Yeah.
Yes, man. All these energy we got, we can put it into.
Oh boy.
Because when PNP grab nothing, them wall and pan it and rip it to shreds. So we can rip this to shred the Dennis
man.
Garden building.
Yeah, man. Put it onto Dennis Garden. Put it onto that building, and we should be.
Put him on blast.
You remember?
Prosperity.
Hold on there. You guys remember when they talk about the breach, the building that Andrew is no longer a part of the building.
Yes, East Bridge.
Right. But the breach of the listen up. Norman Brown. Remember Norman Brown?
Yes.
Is a part of Estate Bridge. Him have shares in Estate Bridge. You know where the blind man from PNP, the blind man from PNP come out and he put out a tweet and say Norman Brown must resign. He must resign from whatever post. With immediate effect. Why isn't they calling for Dennis Garden to resign with immediate effect? That me want to know.
Because Prosperity are hypocrite. But what is anybody in his circle that you know whatever they have to resign. And the man is silent. Marky G is silent, Prosperity.
Silent. And if I did ever labor right, every civil group have it up. Every civil group. Yeah. So it was ever labor right, every civil group do that have it up and talk about it.
Yeah.
Wanna come out long time, man.
Yeah.
I'm Mr. God, so run.
One Love seem like him having internet
Internet
problems.
problem. Mhm.
No, no, what am I
Black
saying?
King.
It's that Monday. If you repeat, hold on, no. Hold on there. It's that Monday. I'm
Yeah,
going
it's
to
a
my country.
perspective.
I'm going to replace Peter.
Yeah. Black King,
Yeah.
you know that the man that you was talking about, Ben Monroe,
Yes.
you know I nearly lose some money to him too. I was lucky.
Okay, so you know me I talk about as well too.
Yes, the blind man, I was lucky because my sister heard about it and said, all right, two of us gonna put together and buy one of the plot of lands.
Yeah.
I'm blocking me, grab my partner, draw send her the money. And I
The
don't know
blind
for some
senator? The
reason.
blind senator, Kali?
No, one blind
No, not the
TV
blind
man.
senator. No.
Where rob
Oh.
people, we scam people some money about lands.
Yes.
Okay.
Him supposed to die now, don't black king.
I hope him die by now.
And me say we get the money together, black king, but for some reason, the person that contact her, she couldn't find the person, and she said she can't find the person. I say, you know what? Send back my money, come give me. And after she send back my money, come give me,
I
hear
signed
say,
that, man.
them lock up the man and him daughter for scam people.
Mm.
They didn't call it scam that time. They said for fraudulent
That was that
conversion.
one.
Yeah, man. The PMP was up.
I got protected. They said I signed that. Don't
Yes,
forget. Don't forget the
yes,
money.
my money could have
You don't lose the
gone
money there.
months.
The PMP
When
was
me
up
hear Black
part
King
of
was
it.
talking about it, me was busy. So me I say, yes, man, me miss it too, cause my money could go down also. And it's so happy that the man got to court and them free the man.
Other man, me know say, there was a place up there so that nice run by when you go around to it for them have the highway, they put the highway now to go towards Ochi. And he make me know say around it was so nice. When I go around them, take us all him have coach, take us all around to the hotel, run to the golf course, showing us the about around the nice and show us where him have all drawings, for what I'm do around there,
And Black King, the PMP judge, them let go the man and him
There's a
daughter
criminal state, man.
negotiate.
I'm convinced enough.
Them
That
let go
is
the
why,
man.
Him
Kali,
was a
that is
Eh?
why
him
Nasty
was a
Mark
PMP
go in
activist,
one CCJ for
Yes, that's why I'm
Jamaica.
on CCJ. Because they will get away with everything that them do in this country. When me
Mr.
hear
Monroe,
Black King,
Mr.
I
Monroe,
said,
Mr.
Jesus, we should be in
Mr.
the
Monroe,
conversation. This man need to get my money too.
Mr.
Yeah, go
Monroe was
ahead.
a PMP activist.
Okay, he was. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Brother. And rob way up door. First blind man and last blind man make rob.
Mama.
There's
And some
a
people
Who,
used
black
to
who
king,
say
who
man.
rob your black king,
some
a
people used to
blind
say
man?
that people that giving them
Yes,
money is
man.
foolish if them can make a blind man rob them.
You rob with the
I,
But
blind man.
that is not so.
No, it's not that. It's not like that. It's not like that. Rock. It's not Rockstone. It's not like that. What it is, the man have a sophisticated thing going on. Where from
Yes.
the government know about it because it's something that was going on and
Yes.
coming on
Yes.
TV as well. It was on news
I
about the
remember
amount
say,
of people who was
I
flocking up to his office.
yeah, but I remember say, all in Dan and cash flow start and the PMP,
Yes.
And then they
What do you
didn't
Yes.
milk
mean?
money out and they quiet it out and them ignore them. They ignore it. And when
Exactly.
Bruce Bolden
And that
coming
is
up
not a
more,
regularized
leeching say them
financial
a using bank for rings.
institution.
Them a using
Yeah.
for rings money and when I money not stay in the bank. So
Mm-hmm.
him report it to the financial service commissioner
If
one
I
of them
did.
offices and
FSC,
everything.
FSC.
Yeah. So in brother now they doing super plus. So PMP now draw a card for him because them know so them a labor right. They draw a card for him and say them now shop a super plus because of leeching one super plus. I really brother we Alfred Chen we Chen one did one super plus. So then sink them on supermarket. Because they say I him expose cash plus a pyramid scheme. To show you how PMP
Oh,
does
that's why
that.
they go under.
If somebody
Okay.
expose a pyramid
Mm-hmm.
scheme, if somebody expose a pyramid scheme, why you gonna sabotage in brother business? It's a pyramid scheme. It's say what it mean and mean what it say. It's a pyramid scheme.
Yeah. Anybody say clippings where they with that guy come out of Brooklyn and say, nah, go back there because them are politicized some political victimization
Where?
at Brooklyn supermarket. The guy come out and him do a video same time as he come out.
Oh, no, I haven't seen that one.
Which one at Brooklyn?
And you know, say, you know,
No, I don't never state a which one.
say, you know, Prosperity, I was friend with some fireman. And the firemen, them come and introducing me to, not only
Plus.
Cash Plus, it was Cash Plus. Yes, I think. And I'm saying to them, I said, no, man, this too good to be true. Because I was in Round Robin and thing. And then I said to them, said, this too good to be true. And them tell me, oh, them put in the money and how much I get. And I resist until that thing go under, you know. I resist. They must say
My friend he tell me about it too.
when me draw me Round Robin, me fi put 100,000 in there and me will get back this and me will get back that. And I didn't. Because me I said, this thing sound too good to be true.
The people who are going early still, you know. The people who are going early get back their money and make money.
Yeah,
Because
them reap.
Them have to pay them for a truck. Them have to pay them for a truck at a custom. So pyramid scheme, you know, people don't understand what it means and what it says. It's a pyramid, it's shaped like a triangle. So the base side broad, but the top gone 1 pint, and the pint gone at the bank pocket.
You see, like, you know, say the cash plus thing. You see all that thing there where the people with them invest all of their money in it and then lose it. My uncle get messed up in it, you know. My uncle get messed up in it big time, you know. You see, never get messed up in it. You see, when Red Bull my uncle is the first one who start distributing Red Bull. Red Bull and Nutriment, the one like supplement, and he's the first one who start carry them into Jamaica and distribute them around. He had the thing for it. And when he started, my man was making money. Same time he hear about this thing was going and he started investing in it. At the initial part of it, he get money out of it. But then what I never realized is that these people just lower you into it for you to put more money, and then the more money where you put it gone. So when I think he started with something like about 500,000 and him money get double up one
What?
Get a bit more.
You might get
And then he went and put in something like 10 mil one time and get
Jesus.
that much. I tell you.
I know somebody put 5 million US in it. You know?
Jesus Christ, no.
Yeah, man, I know somebody put 5 million US in it.
I wonder what hurt most of them. The rollover, they let it roll over. This rollover hurt most of them, you know.
Yeah, man, the rollover shake them for true. But the person me thought dead now. They also vested into it that Mr. Hill didn't end up living in a theme house. They also Mr. Hill living up a Stone Hill a theme house. And last year he moved that. So when he crashed, he still rent the house and like, oh, you're not there to make and them people me tell about, you know, them people are PMP, if you cut them do the orange. You know.
And that no go PMP do them something, man, PMP a thief, you know.
And then still believe in it. If Mr. Hill should have started back something right now, we can tell you. See that man, they come out and grape in a follow back behind Mr. Hill.
Then Mr. Hill, him not get locked up, him come out?
No, man, Mr. Hill get acquitted last year, man.
Okay. You never follow
What?
you.
So did it
believe.
make news?
You know, say me should check the facts before me say what I'm saying. Somebody tell me since weeks, he was acquitted.
Check it before, because I don't hear anything like that.
And that may say me in a year now. That's why me I say if him come out yet.
But it stretched out so long that me wouldn't surprise. Because that's one of the things in this judicial system in Jamaica, you know. Them stretch out things for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 years. Till all the witness and the evidence them dead and run.
They don't got, yeah. Because look at Paulwell case and my man case.
No, Paulwell, I that make cartel get acquitted, you don't realize that. I don't really acquitted neither that. And they throw the case, he was acquitted, but
technicality, man.
Technicality.
When them over fine.
When I say what, I want to know what, One love.
No, guys,
You remember when my boy then come back to Jamaica when they run when I PMP try to catch over? George Flash, what at that time, brother? Yeah. When me I say, listen what me I say. You remember, I want love me that say this to still. Because I'm going back the mic. Because me there, I drink some oats. What me I say? You remember when then George Flash and the brand Jamaica? Now when the man them come back at Jamaica, what I know? Me I tell me know me just tell you what me I eat. What I know? Let me give you the information. When me I listen what me I say. When Anthony Tabuk and George Flash come back in IPMP time, when they run in the labor right time then, at the 80s. And they run away and come back here. When they go to police station, policeman say them not a record of them to rat, them free as bird, nothing them good. Clean. Like a whistle.
Yeah, them check the records.
Then they don't have record for selling the ban at Jamaica. Much less for selling the wanted at Jamaica.
Yes. Yeah, man.
Really, People's Corruption Party. Jesus.
And we can tell you this, this morning, me say to Black King. Black King asked a question this morning. If anybody know the purpose, the real purpose as also. Black King, take this from me. Get your pen and write it down and put in your pipe and smoke it. Me know of people in Jamaica, 4 generations alive. That means great grandparents involved. And none of them no register. The government no record and none of them.
What you say? What you
Me
say?
know that. Me know that.
Won them ban?
Them ban. Yeah, of course, them ban hospital. So them ban them yard.
So them not get the little red slip. They slip with the red writing.
That more because every birth of
No man, something wrong.
as them ban a hospital.
No sir.
You don't understand that
One
part.
love.
You don't understand that
One love.
one.
It wasn't the Zozo, it is the bird something another. It was. Yeah, man, you have people at Jamaica when on a bird surf TikTok to the day, yeah, man. If you prove, say them born away in the Jamaica, man. A factual thing that, man.
So what I'm saying, Tino, once I'm in Africa, there must be some recording of that bird.
When me no, yeah, watch me now. You see, remember say a Bruce Golding come and streamline the new birth certificate process, you know, and change it, you know.
Yeah, that you have to be registered at the bedside. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You used to get a little pink slip.
When you
register, me born a Victoria Jubilee Hospital. And when my mother come home with me, she carry me go down a Agli Park post office. She go register me. So I like to slip me go to school with, you know. Me only and that reading knows as your birth paper. So when news come now upgrade it, no, have a serious something. And that was your birth paper.
But you know, say you
when news come now.
You have young people that still use that door till the school and start look against it. That said,
thank you very much.
The pink paper, the red paper, the red right on it, man.
Yeah.
We didn't know if it
thank
was.
I thought you know was birth paper. So when news come and streamline the thing now and put on a barcode and all them something upon it and say, boy, and this is the new birth paper. So the rest you must come in with the next one. Who have the next one must come in and get it upgraded to this. No people never bother to go in, and some people never have none neither. Remember say in the 80s people used to still ban in the yard.
Up to today, they in some rural country parts.
Yeah, so
that's why you think enough elderly not get them right birthday, you know.
That's true. And the age.
When them born a yard, all the 2 days after them go register them.
Because sometimes in a prosperity, the person who deliver them cannot read. You don't know which month it is, which date or which month.
And sometimes they forget too. Sometimes they forget it too.
Yes.
But the people
and that which mean man, you know.
You know what I tell them about, say, me know 4 generations in a one year when I'm a birth paper.
Them have to do something for them, man.
How much down Kingston 11 go?
No, me no.
Me don't know which one me come from a Kingston 11.
Me know Chromas no Kingston 11 good. Time work nice good. Watch me now. That community there, a white wing where Andrew does this monkey.
But that's out a 3 mile way there, so.
Okay, you so like you know where I go.
Would have been virtue.
So that me. In the middle,
But you know, so one love. That's why being man have that
And a
problem.
Porsche consequence.
yeah.
You know that being man have 2 birth
Eh?
certificate though. 2 date. A 2 date being man have to.
Beanie
You
man,
never know, him have a problem that you know.
Beanie man genetic. Beanie man genetic.
Yeah, they never
Beanie
him
man
talk about
genetic
this.
linked to the PNP, you know.
Being man tell say him born a year, them are 2 different. But upon the birth certificate and at the other time them born for true. You ever talk about this at 2 different dates.
When me glad the whole we
yeah,
buy
you
a
might
life,
say
my
my
mother make sure it the whole of we make glad for my mother and father.
At the same time,
glad.
when the birth certificate him 1 year less than him kill a 1 year older than him, but him as a man kill about the same year. But he never register. You see me? The same thing I bought a yard. The same thing we are talking about.
Me hearing say,
The meaning of that
we must watch our face because he might kill us still born the same year. And Bujo.
yeah, but yeah,
So
but
that
killer was
when
right.
you,
But he must say him
when you
born
don't know
the
your
year when
PH,
they
what about
register
when
the
you
year
supposed to
after
get
the next year.
medication? In one love, when you
But
don't know your
document
PH,
so
that is not a problem
killer
when
1
you're
year
supposed to
older
get
than him.
medication.
Well, here we go. Remember, you have to remember say the system of Jamaica. Remember say PMP declares that Jamaica a PMP country was a PMP country now. Because them a certain demography of people them control them at the mass. The thing a change now. You see the something
But what now?
yeah, man, it causes a problem, of course. It must cause a problem. You should not ask that.
Yeah, because if me a 4-year-old, I'm not supposed to get in a 3-year-old medication. That's why plenty people I take the medication for them sickness and say that it's not helping. Because them not get the right meds. That's a problem. Jesus. No, sir.
Yeah, man. So if you correct that, what Sister P do, that's why I tell people say, if politicians want to do something, they will find a way how to do it. Sister P take up the Registrar General Department and make them mobile. And she make them mobile, you know, and carry them on the road, come register the people. Them. One time, you used to go at the RGD office at the direct building. Sister P make it mobile and housing trust, and then come through with housing trust. Just to enable
What may I tell you, say?
activists to get house so they pay for.
Oh, Lord.
Let me tell you this. That's why I say everything add up, you know.
them couldn't
Everything
get
come like a puzzle, you know.
Yeah.
People that destruction to What I know, me just say something. What I know, me just say something. That's what it is. PNP, that destruction to Jamaica for ever
Yes,
since.
man. Yes,
Them
man.
people there. That's why I say, if you see him register where you talk about and them thing there, where not pay. That's why they could have numerate. That's why they could have corrupt the electoral system and team in the election.
Yes.
Everywhere, you know.
Them
That's what
brethren
it's a
have one man.
country, you know. Everything just fit up like a puzzle. Everything just fit up like a puzzle. So anything you attack, a true we attack, we know we attack.
Then tell you one man with 3 ID, you know. And I see him picture, you know, and 3 different names.
That's why they're fighting against needs.
Yeah. That's what happens. All of the developments go in Jamaica. What I know?
So, all right.
All of the developments go in Jamaica. It's always Labour Party. All improvements.
Romans, what you ask this woman? Listen this.
Me a hear you.
The lady will say, me a drive. The lady will say, that's why they don't fight against this. Why you think them vote against so? So got a kind of sensitivity, you know, and then that's why them against so. I don't need that. I don't need that alone against.
Yeah, everything add up, Regine.
I don't need that alone.
You see me?
You know, see, up here, them have
That's
the
everything add up.
quotas,
Everything that come to the light right now. It just have like a puzzle.
Up here, them have like the quota system, and once a day, you're going to that, then find you quick when you do your foolishness.
Exactly. That's why them don't want needs.
That's why they don't want
like
needs.
that.
And all of the improvement in Jamaica.
A lot of criminals gonna go under when it's get up and come and running.
Yeah.
Watch out when Zozo stop.
People in the criminal party must.
When Zozo stop, them now to go. Zozo now to go until they put the identity on you and find out where you come from. You know.
Of course, you can't. You live in a country have no identity. What can go so?
the PNP knows that did happen.
Carry the government go to court. Jesus.
So that's important.
PNP.
Well,
They are
it
the
are breaching
weapon
people's
that is armed
constitutional
against
rights.
Jamaica.
Are you ready?
Yes, prosperity.
Take my constitutional rights. Take my constitutional rights and give me my life.
That
Go
means that too.
breaching people's constitutional rights.
You notice
Take all
everything
my rights.
through
Give me my
PNP
life.
full of lie,
William.
everything through PNP full of lie, everything them come up with about constitution and
Constitutional rights
constitution.
and courthouse.
That's why it sweet me what they them lose Paula Llewellyn one.
Yeah, man. So
Sweet,
the
you see?
big
That's
old
why them
blue
ask
barrel no can come out combos,
they
but
put politics what them
9 of them now we beat them
PNP
9
them
times.
politics.
Every court case we got against Andrew. Every court case we put against Andrew, him lose.
And at the same time, we don't tell them say as PMP control the judicial system in Jamaica. And HR Guru oppose me no, but me no control the judicial
I
system in
can
Jamaica.
control it,
Who
of
like it,
course.
like it.
Of
Who
course,
no
let
one
them
like it. That's
control
right.
it.
And every
It's true.
PNP that you get put in the courts, you get thrown out, are them walk
Of
free.
course. No, not trust tonight, brother.
Look one Trapigura case.
Current Spencer, the whole of them.
Case still sister
Patrick Roberts, the whole of them. Look how them Patrick Roberts was so deep in SHIT and me frightened when me say the case must be through or the case finished without a conviction.
That's why you know, so that's why they were fighting against Paula Llewellyn because two of them own practically in a problem, you know. Phillips
And Silvera.
Silvera. I said them there fight against Paula Llewellyn, but I want you open up them cases first as she start work.
That me want to prosperity.
She only have 9 months, you know. I don't know if them are going to extend her time. Because me use them
back where them take from her.
Of course,
them find a clause where it can be extended again.
Yeah.
So me go see what come out of that.
All nasty Satan gambling about Paula Llewellyn. Nobody want you, all piece of shit.
in disgraceful.
Him forgot talk
Them
about
not
little
like
girl when
women.
breed, little at that age when breed and make she dash her belly, all piece of shit.
Lashika says she's leaving. I don't want her to leave.
So, me no want her leave.
Me no want her to leave before them prison kill Vera.
No, sir.
Anything that they lie, you know, anything that they lie, you know, and the jury system, you know, the PNP, they can't corrupt that woman there, you know, and that's why they hate woman, you know, Virgin. Anything the PNP can't control and
remember, say
corrupt.
woman no partial, you know, whether you're PRJ, the woman a
Anything they
prostitute.
can't buy out and yes.
That is it, Chroma, that's true.
It's your business. I would do real read case. Now she do real read case.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, she put him up for
Do those case. Now she do those case. Real read case. What
Yeah,
the
she
case
put
say?
him up for prosecution, of course.
Okay, all right. How we not attack
And
her? How we not attack her?
Satan camp
How we not
to
attack
our
her? PNP. Yeah?
Once it's not in them
Nobody.
favor,
Boy, what a
Chroma,
nasty
you know,
man.
say,
And
you
then
know, say
they
them
can
have to say
control woman. That's the
whatever.
problem.
Remember, you know, when Cliff was talking like him and
Yes,
them
they
side,
can
no, them
control
was
and buy her on
no
a
Cliff-
every car.
Cliff using, you know. No Cliff using at the middle. Them don't like Cliff using at all.
You know, said many times him call upon them for interview and them decline.
Yes,
You know?
because remember, data can say it's an incubator for labor rights, you know.
Not even advertisement in a run for this. They run advertisement for this station.
No.
No,
Not even advertisement in a run for this station.
we know. The boy cut him.
Remember saying, no?
Listen to me.
Everybody shoot.
I only
Remember the shoot
like
is
some
everybody
true
could shoot they go on that car park
journalists
like the parking here, remember?
Yeah.
Nationwide, remember that?
Yes. Just after the
Even when they could shoot they go on the car park, the parking lot. Okay.
Just
Nationwide.
after Satan can believe said and it's an incubator for labor
The
party.
labor right and call out the names them too, you know. I said that man the author order. Him love to call people name, you know. Me say, I want when Vas finish with him, man. I walk with one hand behind and one in front.
and then Labour right afraid to call out them name. Them talk about allegedly. When we know we have the truth. Eh?
And he
Why
not
them
Tino
can't
even
beat
Labor
all the
try.
while?
is soft and Christian. Like me hear you last night, Tino. Me hear you on politics and sports, and Tino say, you know what? Let me little. The man them no want Tino talk. Let me think.
No, them the dirty.
Them TNT is nothing good. They are the weapon that is formed against
From
Jamaica. They
against
want
Jamaica and
nothing good.
Jamaicans.
Yes. Yeah. You ever hear none of them come out on national media and encourage anybody to go to heart?
No. They say school is this.
Man.
I hear a guy say, man,
Yeah,
hate
man,
up
we
of
have
heart
put out.
and nothing like that. Nothing like that.
Yeah, man, we have put out the
Then
picture in house
prosperity.
our figure out.
Then prosperity.
Said, you know,
If the people
so
them
many
driving on
government
the
look good.
road prosperity and the people them say them not see nothing go on. What more you want prosperity? Tell me now. As
I
woman
say,
to woman, what more you want?
yesterday, I think a Black King Live, two of them they company. One company and him have a mouthpiece in a background. And him say, let me tell you, me a socialist still,
Yes,
But
it was a Black King. I was there.
then one in the background from Andrew Win, not Nagwan.
Ask them where Andrew do. Ask them where Andrew
Hey,
do.
Jesus, please.
Mr. Jaden just dash him away.
No, the man same get him news the money where Andrew have the unexplained wealth and this and that. When you ask him where him get him news from, him man say for TikTok.
Me say them stupid.
Prosperity.
Stupid.
Rockstone, you may say. Entire year, them, you're supposed to know this too. I'm going to repeat it. You don't know. Entire year, them saying nothing not go on. And the hustling them a talk about and the free mentality money, them used to come here and
Yes.
get money.
Yes.
And think that and them a talk about, And the
Yes.
hustling and can go teach people things that them sit there people and cut out and the bandole is And that them a talk about,
Yes.
Yes.
Actual building
And
and
then
things
get the
that
little bun
one of the
work
country them a talk
and then
about,
chop off the bush head and go collect.
But you never seen a
Yes,
Christmas
that is it. And then you never talk about
when they
nothing.
come out.
Well, that them a talk about.
You know, see, Azam come out and talk about much people never get paid for Christmas work.
When they chop off the bush head prosperity and not rake up the place or nothing, but you forget pay for that.
Soon, Morgan come out and clap back against it. And said them
Yeah, man,
not
rebuttal,
do
man.
them
Quick and
work
fast.
properly. Them not do them work properly. And him said there was some administration issue.
And then some the thing later to them pay
Right.
and some and some the money later apart from that.
It was that deliberate attempt by some of the PMP councils them to arrange the people them pay me late so them not get paid if say the government.
They blame the government, yeah.
It was orchestrated.
Hey.
Yes.
You know, Chromas, say PMP then lazy. You see, if you give them the road work for do, me never see somebody stand up straight and build bush, The man, them not bend them back, The man, them stand up straight and brush off the bush, head of the bush.
You know that. Rockstone, them not used to do no work, just collect the money. Them not do no Christmas work and them something, but them stop and collect money, not do nothing. They used to work.
Them no know clean.
Get the money free of course.
Clean.
Rockstone.
Yeah.
The only way them bend them backs are when them a bend over to take fuck. That's the only time them bend them backs. And we have to talk it like it is.
No, sir, you're not easy.
No, sir.
Tina, you're the best.
It's not a lie, true.
True.
Hey, let me tell you something. You see me tell people this all the while now. April, my born, You see, when you're born April, he's a no-nonsense person, I can't take hypocrites and liars, So,
Me
you see me
neither.
before, so me
neither.
You see, before, so me got upset at one. Maybe just did the box and I listen.
I'm not saying
You see
anything.
words, and I said nothing. You see words, but if you notice last time when I talk, me listen to them keen words, and I just look at inter words more one year, And me not make no stone unturned because you see if me hold you and you tell lie, me want you answer everything where you come with as a lie. Me not let you off of the hook. And that is what
What you
labor
think
right do
about
all
the
the
what you
while.
think about the guy Condescends away, man?
Hmm.
Yeah, man, him for go, man. Him not change. Him not
My
change. You
PNP.
listen,
Give me the
yeah,
PNP.
man, him state it out straight. Say, him come
And
from a
prosperity, him
PMP
come
family.
under a different name.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right. I'm more there, you know. I know me never come up last night because you see me is a spiritual man, you know. I'm a dead, I go over politics live. I'm say, alright, a little bit of people, you know. Them have a motive, you know. So them see a little bit of people,
Turn
them
off
a
that.
run, show
Like
themselves.
it up, Papa. Like it up.
Yeah.
Them, I guess when them show themselves now, then you get for
What?
hook them and bring them in.
What?
Him not
Draw the
change, cause him a
curtain.
go tell lie and
You
leeching.
have drawn the curtain. Draw down the curtain. Put the
Brother,
curtain
let me
side
tell you
over and
something
make
there.
it up. Just pull the liquor. First thing you can see.
I'm gonna make him talk.
Mute him, man.
I want to use to see one of your wife, yes. Eh?
Good.
Let's up one general
I heard
in the box.
that's up.
Alright. I love how you jump off last night with the brother.
Big up Rusty.
Rusty no have no tolerance to them, you know. Oh.
I love how you jump off, man. But it turned out good though for Rusty. It was a pleasure,
I
man.
realize that, you know, but let me tell you how me stay, you know. Tell you how me stay, you know. It's from me have a radical experience with you with a little vibe on a live, you see? A couple weeks, well, probably 2 months now. And it's time to teach me something. And you know what I learn? When I tell you what I learn. Stay in a my lane. Mm-hmm. Stay in a my lane. Yeah. So we kind of pick and choose the life them have to go upon and when to go upon it.
Amen.
And if me happen to even reach upon a life where me think saying all of my mind so I shouldn't go upon, me hold my mouth. Me must listen. And if I say nothing, I see it go south, me jump where. Mm-hmm. So,
And that's the way it's supposed to go. You notice how me is, brother? Me's a man like this, you know. Me love
some
to
people can't take the
engage.
truth, you see? And
Alright. I me's a man for the truth.
you have some man where I labor right more and some man. I mean, just laugh sometimes with me or they go on like, you know,
Rusty,
labor right
none of
more.
we not have more vote than no. One vote the whole of we
So
have.
me just sometimes, me just laugh to myself. And then now you have some PNP who go on like say, them so smart that you can't figure them out. And like all our brother the last night now, from the moment things say one certain sitting, because that is their rhetoric. Anytime you hear them want to come for your life, come and hide as a PNP, then say them are nothing.
They're neutral.
Mm-hmm. Nobody in Jamaica no neutral. Jamaica is a PNP and Labour country. It's either one or the other.
Same way, Rusty.
Mm.
And this thing about undecided, nobody not undecided.
That's all.
No, nobody
They
not
might not
undecided.
vote, but that don't mean to say them undecided. They know them not vote.
Exactly.
Mm. You have a lot of people on here where the moment they find out say you have certain information and you know certain things, you become an enemy, you know. Even by your own side.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. I regularly me pass some for you page, you know. Mm. I know what I'm sitting there going off and just laughing, you know.
You know, so me's a man. Me not really go up on for you page. If once me know say you align with certain things, me can't go there, no, cause you see me a short use for fuckery and bullshit. Me not a tolerance to bullshit. Cause me see if it's a bullshit, I want him to shit do, you know. When you shit out your shit, you flush it in the tiles and it go wait for go, you know. I saw me look on bullshit, you know. You can't take bullshit. Me a short. Me say me have a short fuse to bullshit. And the thing with me always tell him for me a blog for a long time, you know. Me hate a educated dunce. I don't like you going like you're too educated I want to come go on like you're too smart. Cause me talk the
Morning,
truth.
guys.
Good
Morning.
morning. Yeah,
Good
man, you have to learn
morning.
to talk the truth, man. Yeah, man, a
Afternoon.
morning, man. Afternoon.
On a
Chin.
free.
One of the things what me hate the most, you see? That man we are trying to bend over back way for defend
Miss
the
Chin, just wait.
next man foolishness. Wow.
So,
Wow.
What my girlfriend?
Now see who me have short fuse.
What my girlfriend we are dealing?
See who
Miss
me
Chin,
have
just
short
wait.
fuse and long fuse and medium size fuse for.
yeah, I'm ready, you know. I get up and go on TikTok. I'm a vex as I reach you. Two
Here they.
scroll, I'm a pissed blood clot off.
One PNP live when me just pass through there.
Yeah, Sean Stam live. Me I
Yeah,
go,
man,
you talk about me right
if you
now.
a minute, you say, carry over them, I just get me.
The
I'm
system
sick.
of no labor right. Me I
There's nobody
go
a buckle with them. Me not buckle with them. Me not chat to them.
system of no labor right. Me I go block on. That's say I know me a block.
Amen.
You see him blood clotting when me just there attack.
The time I want when you know they on some platform, you don't come up on my For You page. I want to get rid of some of no labor rights. I'm in a business when nobody want chat. Some of no
Ma
go in.
call your phone, Chida. Ma call your phone.
You call them mama. Things that my face bright means that me have manners, my mouth nasty when already here. When I want nobody call my phone. Them for go.
That's a blood
Me,
clot, man.
I thought we
If
left
me
this in
call you this, me see.
2024.
Anyway, them find I get some slap on your big ass. I'm done my bite up a breast nipple and I suck out a tongue.
No man.
Trust the baby yourself.
I'm not rotted, sorry. Not the
Didn't
jump
have
out. I want to the chicken, sorry.
Didn't
Miss
have
Chin, we
no.
talk about, remember we talk about this in 2024, so we not care to over in 2025, you know. We are still we yard and beat
Yeah,
and
mama.
teach.
Mr. Me,
Same
I
way,
would
so.
supposed to. As much as I'm gonna put a PNP for my life. Are we supposed to have them supposed to have beg for come for our life?
Exactly.
For come prove them
But I,
point for them can't make. And them
but you know,
supposed to
say,
want come over here.
that, you know, say
We could
that me last 3 weeks, you
paint
know.
the narrative.
Instead,
Me
people
do
one bag
something.
of labor right
Look
over
here,
the
no.
people in life and give them hype.
Look here, no.
That
Me
is
do
the
something this
question
man
I
is about,
asked long time, you know. Them have too much free access to our life.
The go live this man is about 3 hours, you see? And I'm one over here. I
Talk
will
it
just
true,
laugh.
but yet still them run gone over Sean Stam live.
They
I
are
want to
True,
true.
Miss Chin. True.
listen me, when me a pass, me hear when the brother when here Richie, I said to I never you Richard. That would they above you Richard. You
You
know
charge
remember?
over the man. And I want
Yeah,
next
but I
time
never
one
you
name.
Richard him say to our next brother.
Award.
Him
I
a
remember my
brother.
name, but man, you charge
Yeah,
them for all the while. What them
yeah,
name name?
probably. Yeah.
Blair, you
Send
attack.
that
You Blair?
no. Howard. Thanks forever. Thanks bless Howard.
Howard.
Him
Howard.
and Howard are back and forth. But where Mark Golden plan for do now. So Howard, so Richie said to him, so what you plan to do now? Like no, where Mark Golden plan now? You're the idiot man. Mark Golden is going to get rid of corruption and put
Yeah.
everyone in a jail until after the court case.
That means it's a Mark Golden plan to get to himself.
Then him forgot get with a Dennis
Am I
gang.
lady?
Start this so.
No. That make Churchill get mad. Churchill say, yo, don't make me start this, you know.
So look at so Miss Chin,
Yeah.
you can't ask you Richard's Marky G plan, you know, because the PMP no present no manifesto, you know. So what is there to talk about? Them no have nothing to talk about.
Listen, I understand that. That's why Richie asked him the question. Richie asked him the question because Richie wants to get at what it is that Mark Wallen has planned. But because them not a plan, the only thing this idiot could have come up with is get rid of corruption. What corruption?
Mark will now get rid of himself and prison
The
himself to
corruption
think
where you
that
cannot
money.
prove that the Prime Minister is guilty of anything. What
Exactly.
corruption?
Miss Chin, we have one corruption for ask you.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Me know me can't afford it, but you can't afford me. Come give me a Christmas, come give me a New Year's link. I could do out of something and go on yourself.
Oh,
Father
man.
God.
That sound like corruption for you.
Thanks, Benny. Thank you, darling. Benny, that's why I love your surname. Hey, go on, I love you. Here?
No,
You
me
still
too.
love me.
We are two big people, you know.
Of course, we're two big people, but we can't hear what business over here, we see.
No,
Talk,
no, no,
talk
me
it
know if you
off.
come.
Talk it off
That
here.
is like joke, and you don't know if you come for you.
Off here. Off here. Rusty,
Oh,
take it
you say
off
Yeah,
we
you
here.
know.
got talk it as
We just
joke
do
and
fuck
then
you and
we
you don't know. I'm talking a code, where is it?
all right, my boss.
But
And if
Miss
you tell them
Chin,
say you come, me
remember,
don't know if you come for you, no, because me not going to tell them say you come.
All right.
Miss Chin, remember them now have no
Hey,
more
Rusty.
conference.
Huh?
Them now have no more conference before election, you know. And now them
Rusty.
can come up with them
Well,
plan where them are gonna do.
That coming
No.
like
But
Marky
what
G
them
we say
say,
in give back in salary. What proof we have say Marky G give back 80% of their salary?
thank you.
them say them have to win first before.
Me sure that
Them
Miss
have
Chin
to
not going
win
to talk say
first.
two. Me
Jesus.
sure know what Miss Chin not going to come talk say two tall and anything money.
I lie you tell.
Bumbo clad.
If it's sweet, me I tell everybody over here.
Rust,
And if it's not sweet, me I
Rusty
tell
a labor,
everybody over here.
Rusty a labor, right? You know, she retired the truth.
Anything we get
Don't,
me attack.
don't do it, Rusty. Don't do it.
You
Rusty,
know
I
why you
fell into
talking,
the
you know why
PNP
you
we are
talking,
gonna
because
tell
me
you.
no want nobody start run me down like the 16 sexy chicken and run down the one rooster.
Why you care about
Mark Golden have
that?
no
Yes,
plan.
we
No,
come
no
back.
plan for
At least
Jamaica. Plan.
we come go back to sleep. See.
You definitely
No plans them now for Jamaica. None whatsoever.
That's why them keep on. I say them have to win
Chin,
first before them show you them
when
plan.
last you Kimble and talk stammer, and talk pure foolishness and stammer. Fuck me a link, man.
You don't know there's something wrong with Rusty. Rusty, where you eat?
I don't know where them put that chicken.
Hey! Lord, Rusty on the artist we say, where them put in a chicken.
Okay, man.
And I keep the
Mm.
eye, Rusty.
Mm.
I saw my guy
Lord.
Maurice last night. And when Maurice said them makes a barbecue chicken, Father God, help them.
Right now. The spot roast and chicken breast while Morris don't know nothing about them or something.
Pure nasty chicken. Them sweet chili not taste bad and the garlic one taste good, but barbecue chicken, I never ready, Baba.
Put one chicken breast in the pot this morning, you see? Onion and scallion and garlic and thyme and season and rare and little tip of water and little vinegar with pepper and rare. And just put it on the fire very slow and forget about and come to my workshop. And when we go inside for something like a while, I smell like something like a bird. I say, oh, are you?
Well cooked.
God have mercy, right to the bone.
Mm-mm.
I'm more than some
After
water.
the event last night, after the event yesterday,
Last night, I come in off of the road, I buy 1 dozen okra, cut up them fine with enough
well,
honey, honey,
the
onion.
after the event last night, with the MP keep, a Pernell Charles keep,
Mm-hmm.
we the workers, then the staff, we don't really eat nothing, cause all food done, all package, out, everything done. So we end up go Murray's. Boss carry him staff go Murray's go eat dinner. Cause God know we tribe did that twist.
Mm.
One person come up to me, we are volunteer, and say, we never get no food. I say, I start go. When you labor, right? I start work. And cause one labor right come up to you and want something to eat, you give them your own and do it out. And so we go to work. Me have one juice in my hand, and just as me I can pull the ratty juice, one woman come up to me. One big woman come up to me and say, me not get no juice. There's nothing I could do more than pass the juice, girl. What me I go do? Say me not get? With the big Pernell Charles right across my chest? You can't do that. So look how we can you go here say, you work for your boss, and people want juice, and we take everything for ourselves. You understand? So when they want to, you have to just give them a no say so it go. But eventually we eating at the night, guys. Me I tell you, you know. The package them in a blacking where you gone.
I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. I'm here.
Why me on a shake so with the phone? Yeah. May I tell you say now, after the event last night, you know. The event's supposed to finish 3 o'clock.
How take me down? How can I style that?
Let's be on our
Let me take it down.
Him did
Just
come down a
somebody
while
just
ago.
fling me out, you know how to do that.
Well, you know, nobody knows me.
Yes,
I
lucky,
don't have
lucky
bad
me
mind
try
over
to
me
tell
and
the
chin, you
plan
know,
now.
you know, but bother with that, you know, you know, go.
You know what it is.
Black
The
King,
event's
check your
supposed to
internet. Check
finish
your
3
internet
o'clock
connection,
yesterday.
Black King.
This
No,
thing.
man, internet connection is much better than that, what it was this morning.
No, you know, so the internet I give trouble from where about 6 weeks without the internet from where you know. Big
Yeah?
trouble. Mm.
Anyways,
Mixing
the
what
event's
thing?
supposed to finish 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
And it never end up finish until about after 7. May I tell you, so when we think so we have enough package, we have to go back at the office for more package. Full one van, come give out more package. When them they done, people still left back. We have to make about 4 or 5 trips go back to the office. When them they done, we have to make about 4 or 5 trips. Yeah. We have to just keep on and make more and more trip over and over again. May I tell you the labor right them come out
That's
yesterday.
Brown in Philippines.
The labor right them
Hi
come out
Rusty, hi
yesterday.
everybody, Miss Jin, big up
I
yourself. What's up
sweetheart, you're
everybody?
such a bundle of
Yes.
joy, baby. You're like a sweet bunch
Right
of
there, what
fruit.
if a people, hey,
Oh Jesus, man. One
that
thing may I
Rusty
tell
in
you,
my
man.
mouth so sweet. Listen to him.
Rusty now go continue to interrupt me because he want to give
No, we
people
not
free
interrupt you. What
talking.
me I do? I am
It
not in the
now go
room with you.
work.
How would I interrupt you? Me not
Come
in
in
the
and
room.
now what you putting out at the
Look
chicken
round
there,
in
you
the
know.
room if you see
Put
me.
them in what for that chicken, they make you
Look
highlight
round
right
in
there
the
this
room if you
morning.
see no rasta. Me there all the way up
Oh,
one part around one place.
yeah. But things that make you highlight go on with beer things in the
If
morning,
I
you know.
in the room, me couldn't me get a chance to say interrupt.
Mm-mm. Yes, Black King. The turnout, guys, yesterday was amazing. The
Okay,
turnout
that's
was more
good.
than we could possibly asked
I
for.
would just
The
say if me
only
can manage
thing
it. It don't matter.
the only thing we would do differently
Yeah.
next time around is really how we gave out the packages. We have to go make some
Okay.
changes and stuff like that because the blind man them was awesome. Yes, Gertrude, they were awesome. The blind man them they did have a buzz, yeah. So how we did actually do it, or just call people at the door and start hand out package. When you look, people are a tree line, people are collect for all angle and it never had to work out. So I think that caused some chaos. You know, we Jamaican people that already. So next time, I just think we have to find a better way of handing out the packages. But other than that, it was awesome.
That's good.
Awesome event.
That's good. That is good.
Yes, the videos were good. The band was good. There was a band. That your drink make you go on so.
But Rusty, you know, supposed to drink them something. Remember, you know, you're sick, you know.
No man, him no member man. Make him stay there, man.
Hmm. Hmm.
No man, you see how the buckle reaching up from when me have it? And look at the buckle there. Almost full still.
Like, stop drink it. You're too hard years.
Top up and pep up more time.
But we're planning more events, guys. We're planning more
Hooligan them
events.
like, you know.
For April, like April at them time.
No, actually, the MP is thinking of doing one maybe every month, but nothing has been decided yet.
Okay.
Nothing has been decided yet. We're just currently just talking about stuff, but possibly.
Hmm.
But that would be good. You know, for each month you have a different theme.
But the sun not shine none at all.
Every month we have a theme. Who knows?
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
But yeah, man. The blind people them yesterday, I'm telling you. If you look up on Pernell Charles Jr. page, you know we see it. The
I've seen
blind
some
people.
video of them.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And the band, Lord Jesus, there was a band that started the whole program. Boy, I don't know where Bass get the bands they from, but I know some people them come out, come play some church music in a man.
Well, I go my woman, Miss Chin. Where are the lady?
Oh, you
I
out
told
there
her,
say you see me boy?
Yeah? No, my woman first, you know.
Eh?
You're up on the side. You're up on the side, Rusty.
I want Tino there. If Rusty up on the side, Tino, where you there?
Yes, your Tino. Yes, your Tino. Yes, you're him quiet. Hey, nobody help
Me,
me.
me silent, man. Me
Yes, you're
silent,
him
man.
quiet.
Me
But the
good.
cool and deadly one.
Miss Chin, everything nice yesterday,
All
man.
right.
Repost the blind man them.
Yes,
The video
sir.
was put on, repost it back to the blind man them.
Me woman
Awesome.
come over here claim you, so how that go now?
I don't know what to do.
Tell them where I go, Miss Chin. Miss
All
Chin,
of
tell
we
them
are
where that.
labor
Tell them.
right. You know, just share me and done.
Eh?
No, tell them. No, I tell them about the share part. Tell them how it go for real. Tell them I go Miss Chin. Tell them who are up front, man.
Me
All
come
right.
out the door and people have heart attack and drop down. Me can't go manage it. No do it.
Tell the rest
All
the way
right.
I go.
All right. Tino is new to the party. Tino is new to my love life. So I have to know what Tino is made of.
Me like speak Tina spirit still in kind of remind me of myself. Easy to get that.
Rusty is the side man. My main man is Chromas because what
All right.
Chromas is giving to me now, nobody else don't give it to me yet.
All right. Yeah,
Right?
that Rusty.
All right.
Yeah.
For a blood clot like that. I like over here, so.
Hear me? Rusty!
HR, come here, HR.
Philippian, Happy New Year, Philippian. Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Oh boy.
Bless.
Oh, no get Rusty upset.
I'm so jealous and go on, man. I'm so Rusty jealous. You can't pay my man. Let me do the cup.
Rusty go. I mean nothing, man. I say, we see him come back there.
Philippian sell me out.
Fine voice, Philippian.
Philippian sell me out. Lexi sell me out. Now Miss Chin dash me away. All right.
No, that's your babes, never. But you have to understand, said there's a main man.
Rusty.
And not everything has to have one main person, you know.
Rusty.
So me decide, side rooster.
Yeah, you the side one.
Rusty, you one would think a man like you can take rejection by now. You know?
Rejection. What I become the rejection until me get rejection. I become the rejected now.
Yeah.
Well, you have to play your cards good, you know, because Tino there now, so.
Shift on.
Sir, me top run a long time in a run. Nowadays when me run, me feel all pain, so me in a race.
M.
Talking about that, my dad have one race track.
Labor right. Family.
I call her at 2 o'clock. She go run a JC.
How that? How should that? What kind of AI that I go on the box there a while ago?
I'll play something about labor right family just now.
No, someone like somebody that play with AI sitting.
Yeah.
Labor right family. Mark who that? Mark what? Purpose, me don't know where the PO or that for.
Where?
Mark something on that. And the box did that come from?
I mean, yeah.
Oh, you Mark.
Purcell.
Yeah, bless upon yourself. Bless upon yourself.
All right. How are you doing? How is it going?
Good, man. Love my labor right family. Love how I go on, man.
Same.
Classic, what you say?
Pop down. Good afternoon.
Like your new picture, the classic, new Rastaman picture you beat feed 2025 there.
Yeah, man, you don't know a growth, a growth.
All right, my boss.
I know him like scan girl.
Blood
Growth, man.
One would think after all them women I seen around him yesterday, he would be start growing some more locks.
You pay classic man, none of them man them enough for him.
I should even do classic take one of my girl.
You never
Which
get
one of
none
them?
yesterday?
That thing I get no woman yesterday.
A joke you make.
Stop here only one chromas because you take away the last one.
Joke you make.
No,
Whoa!
Rusty, man. You can't get no
Then
man
I the
feelings,
body
man. So you
man
go.
Miss
rusty.
Chin.
Yeah, Bridget, see you, man. We
You see
can't let
that
no
little
man
video
come
there?
between you.
You can't take away my girl and me and your virgin. You must see, man.
People, you see
That's
that
still
little video
Bridget,
there, man,
man.
ask the woman
Me
if
no
she
know
get
Miss Chin I go
if she get
share.
her
And I've got
package.
take one man I've got take a
Yeah, I
Anna.
saw that video.
Then me was around your classic in a two and take one go, you know.
Hey, bro. You see by the woman name before the woman leave out, she take my number, and by the
Yeah.
time she reach her yard, she said, babes, me reach home.
I want to say,
Babes are ready to blow.
Where the
babes are ready.
backside?
Babes are
You want to
ready.
see her talk to?
Eh.
A lie.
I will leave
I
a
say,
babes me get to them, man. All it.
All the
Hey.
blood clot November man can't be
Classic.
trusted. You know, come
Classic.
like Scorpion.
Classic. I'm one of them sharp youth there, you know. No, you know.
Hmm.
Sharp, you know.
A November man run a
what the
Scorpion
boss
in dangerous
Jaden?
of fuck.
Boss Jaden said, Miss Chin, me love that tattoo. You see me tattoo? Oh, you know, yeah, it's a fast.
And I way up the side tattoo there.
Me like your chest, is Miss Chin. Your
Oh, you
chest.
see, no man, we're not talk that one there now, we are talking next one.
Where?
The one down there, sir.
Huh?
That the man attack. Right then.
And then there's something I go on. Hey.
Me don't know what I'm about, you know.
Whoa.
Hey.
I
Killer day.
don't know what he's talking about. I
Whoa.
have this
Boss
tattoo.
Jaden, I know him and then answer a question, brother.
Murder
That
nasty.
yeah.
What
I've
question is
on it
that?
on the animal. Me have me this
No,
for my chest. I may have my name in my back. Me no know what classic I talk about.
Murder
What
for
question is
rusty.
that? Let me look through. Let me look
over,
through.
no
You
man,
see,
I
you
have a
don't none
Sean
for your
Storm live
you don't
video
none
a
for your
while ago.
chest, man. You
Oh,
have for
you
your
want to
Sean
breast.
hear?
Storm live a while ago and hear them
Your chest is your breast, that Miss Chin.
I use the
your
breast and chest,
so-called bright
Missy.
PNP them
My
elude the
word.
whole I question them. So
Yeah,
I
I
go up
believe
there
so.
and
See breast and a chest, Missy, you
ask
know.
them two questions and you say, then get fidgety over there.
Yeah.
You know them normally try to talk down the labor rights them. So I go
Mm-hmm.
over there and me turn on one style like Nathaniel upon them. But I not go on like how Nathaniel would have go on. So them have to end up kick me out of the box, brother.
Me
Because I
hear you
not
over
give
there
them a
with them and
chance.
you could manage your classic. Trust me. All three of them could manage you.
I not give them a chance, man.
Yeah, man. True. They can't take facts, you know.
Yeah, man. Them want
You need to
reason
stop
pan where them
over
want
there.
reason pan, you know. You see when you reason
That's
pan
what
where
you to
you
do.
want reason pan, them must say that they want to talk about.
And you know, tell them a drift from the truth. Because when you talking about Finsack and Mark Golin, them a drift from it, you know, them don't want to say Mark, them a say Mark Golin in it and Mark Golin was the architect feet, him and Bunting.
Exactly.
And them a go around it, but can think everybody a idiot. Me
And
love
Mark
how you
can sound
do
away still. Mark sound like Mark.
Me see one man pan one live, pan the Virgin alive. I last night or this morning, I made mix up two chin left me. But I say, well, when we ask him say, if the boat them we buy better, or if Bunting did figure the fisherman them the money, which one better? He said the boat them better security that. So me say,
Oh,
then why
that
you
boy.
defend?
Yeah.
Why you defend something that is against the boat them? You say the boat them is right, but yet you defend something that is against the boat them. Like you know, me not understand you. So boy, alright, then so me just take on myself, you know, because I say, boy, I see them people and they're hard to deal with no blouse and skirt. Very difficult to deal with.
him
Yeah.
last
Now
night.
that's in no PMP.
There's
Me the
no
power
reason with
ends
them. That's
last
why I
night.
no reason with them. Me no reason with them.
Me the
They
power ends
can't
last
deal with
night in a rusty. I'm a virgin do one little thing out about him a power gun, but it's a man that talk straight up. And the man them come down for me and me decide say, yo, them say Mark Golin born at Jamaica. And me say, look here, so when I go home, me I go send what Mark Golin picture come here with the ID. Born in London, England. And in birth and everything they on it. So me send go give them every one of them. So,
But I'm going to send that
them a
brass
them
card
born,
come to me. Me want to do a whole complete vlog about that. I want you send that come give me.
Want it too. We
Me
need
the
to get
come here, me the
more
come in your box, you know, and classic, no classic, Chuck.
That's why you send that come give me, brother. I'll have
All
to
right.
like you for
You
the
need that.
Mark
Is that,
Gowling
Blacking.
was.
is that Mark? You want to send that? Come give me. I don't
Yeah.
know. You need to send that. Come give me.
Like how you live in England, right? I'm not going born in England.
Mm.
Isn't there certain details where you can actually just find him information and get his ID
And
because
what the panic thing is like the US it's like the US them publish it. Me I go send it come I
because
send it
certain
from
I,
your
things should be
classic and you
public
can
knowledge, you know. Not
I send it
everything,
from
but
your
certain
rusty and you
details
can
is
share
public
it.
knowledge.
See me
I
Why
can
this thing
try.
color then
I
scrub
can
all
try
this?
and check it
No,
out.
I
I
go on to
checked the
Mark
other day.
Gold. Color then scrub the internet.
I was doing some search the other day, but I wasn't finding anything.
Yeah, man. Go on to Mark Gold. Color then scrub the
Yeah,
internet. Scrub
man,
the
I did
internet, sir.
some
Right? You
search the
don't
other day. I
know.
didn't, but I can check. If I know what era I'm born in, then I can maybe check with them with the
What?
register office for
What?
that location and
Yeah,
the
man.
Yeah,
Like
we're
they are
born
England
definition.
black here.
born
The pussy can't find something for them in England, man. Like when they are England there.
at 67.
boy, murder for mischief.
At 67, you know. I'm not sure. But that's easy to find. You Google it, when born and you see it. If you Google it, you see it.
All in names now.
That y'all lie down pan.
Mark Jefferson Golden. The Jeffersons sound terrible. Hmm?
Miss Chin, what kind of orange sheet that y'all lie down pan?
God forbid, don't do that, sir. You colorblind?
Look, so.
My curtain ready. My pillowcase ready. And my sheet black.
Oh, you see that boy? Pussy.
Mr. Why you show them, you know, Mr. Where you go out with?
Blood clot, daddy. Why? Murder for
Why you
mischief.
blind them in a Mr. Mr. Why you blind them on them here, you know?
Murder for mischief.
Howdy folks, howdy. What Miss Shin, the question that we asked a while ago is a good one because if Mark Gordon really bad overseas,
Miskin.
birth certificates are public records, you know. So it's lacking.
Yeah, man. Certain details should be easy to find.
Yep, they're public
Miskin,
records.
I will leave that in a mama. Yeah, I know.
You ain't a calm down.
Blood clot.
Rusty, you see tattoo a while ago?
I Mr. Look like you don't go on the beach right now.
Yeah, I'm going to fish pot, boy. I want a net.
Rusty, you see tattoo a while ago?
You ready for the beach?
The which tattoo?
Show you tattoo again. You want it down there, so? No, another one there. No.
You want me further down around this or down that part?
No,
you know?
no.
The only other one
Why
you have the
boy?
road back.
No, man, we see one down there side ago and you shine the camera.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Or a birthmark. A birthmark?
I'm
that?
here, idiot.
A birthmark?
One bird mark there for my belly.
No,
The one
man.
there?
One T one of the lower down.
No more than the day. We ain't come find it.
I want to classic. I want to
On my
classic.
way. On my
I
way.
want to classic.
Why, Mr. Like you ready for the
You know, I
beach,
tell
boy?
them I no more than the day.
No.
You know, some of those day in the house, I met to my heart, I put on no clothes, really.
Yeah, well, then you place to the man. That is right, nothing wrong. If you want naked, I
You know, lock the window to make it get a little hot and take off the rest.
Cut out your foolishness. When you love come for life, contact your foolishness. But that's what me do and lock your grill.
Talk it through, classic. You wouldn't enjoy the view. I surely would.
When I hear some come find a tattoo, I'm a clothes I put on.
Yeah, you know, me can't, you know, me gonna stop like classic. God, no.
I will put on my clothes.
That's what you take home a little pretty Lexi from me. You take home a Philippines. You take one ex-girl. You take one other girl. I know you go check chin. I know star. Me can't bother.
No, man, me not making come. Because right now, me say, who first reach? A classic I go beat you all out now.
Rusty, you can't reach before me.
No, can't go
All
reach
if me
before you.
idle, you can't reach before me.
I one thing me know, you know. If not clock turtle, then beat the year, yeah?
All if me idle, you can't reach before me, bro.
They said the
What's
turtle
your
win the year. We don't talk.
jump on the plane right now.
When me, if last thing me remember about read a deal with the turtle and the year, or the turtle will win.
You read too much fairy tale.
Well, I'm not else to read when I go to school. Read a A, read a D, read a B.
Mystery, they just mash up the man they made mystery. Where you go on with?
Don't do anything at all. Me I show them say sheet black, and it so happens that it catch
Never black.
the weight of
Black
them.
up.
Where's the
I
sheep
don't
black?
do a thing.
She no look black to it.
Where's the sheep black?
Another side. No man, the part another
Another
part.
side of sheep, the next side.
Yeah, man, me know.
The one where they between. The one where they between that side and that side. There.
Yeah, man, right in the middle.
Yeah, the middle part of she.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
In there, so pink.
Boy, hey boy, you know you need to start it then kind of way, I mean.
Right between there, so pink.
All right, Mystery, let them know.
Yeah.
Okay.
One of them pretty pink.
Yeah, which is right.
Clot. Slippery when wet now.
Rusty.
Hey, we realize that every time Miss Chin come by live, I be a fuck with that.
Rusty,
Back to the country.
Man can't in the man. Man is can't angle himself with them see man.
Chin. It's chin.
Get out of control.
You know some I love you in real life.
I'll put that clothes. You go put that blood clot. The car look like say Miss Chin cars all high here ride. I will not go cut it out.
I like how you go at Miss Chin.
I tell you.
You not go on to with classic. I make a me drop it once a wicked.
What happened? Every last one of y'all. Back to the party.
But seriously though, Miss Chin, how your MP stay so man? PNP is a labor right and move backward. And look on the backward sitting in there yesterday.
Talk it truth.
How I go on yesterday?
Man put on a piece of backward event, you see, man. Over 1,000 people.
Brother, listen to me. You see if I package them when my bag here before yesterday. You see amount of rice when my bag. Me feel like more a supermarket. That me I tell you. And then for package them, you know. We have to work as a team for package them in a gentle people.
Mm-hmm.
Remember I put check a video of that part there. Me a chew. What me chew? Me I pull the box them and I chew them give one person and the person I put them in that bag there. And me I chew to one next person and I put it in that bag there. And that's how we are work as a team, a chain. To try and hurry up and pack, you know. All of them bags, point up hundreds of bags, about 1,000 of them, you know. I couldn't work at supermarket. No, sir. But I'm mad.
Yeah, man, I true, man. After that 1,000 the issue, Charles sent for more, and that done. And then and me leave and me see the vehicle gone for more.
A 4 triple make classic.
You're joking.
I'm gonna go with them one night time.
Wow.
I make go with them. May I tell you?
Yo, them something that too backward star. Man, I like it.
Yeah, man. Like how PMP say we're backward, I'm most backward.
I
I
like
don't know
it.
what PMP are backward. And that's a baba.
Plus prizes and surprise. I couldn't call see and make him get to a package.
So when did they? He might hide in the constituency.
I mean, Alberta say man live in a nice scheme. I always see him
So when they hide? Him hide yesterday. Him hide. Him not
Of
about.
course he hide. He never don't show that.
Is Jamaica a part of Sian's constituency division?
Yes, it is.
I'm asking if Jamaica is a part of Sian's division.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
His
wow.
division. It's a part of his division. His division.
You know the man that was there yesterday. Hello, Chuck. You know the man that was there, Winston Maraj. I met him twice. I met him twice before. I met him. He gave he read the eulogy at a friend of mine's funeral in Clarendon once. And then I met him another time, same yard. He's alright. He's a nice person, you know.
Yeah,
He's alright.
I'm cool, man. I'm responsible
He's
for rock
yeah.
Mitchell Town.
Chin in the shrine, I better get some rest, man. In the shrine, I better get some rest.
I hope I am just not too long ago.
Now that bitch I come from Chucks.
Ow. Korean there, I'm be here, so me. I want going on my bus, go sit down.
The man them a go on 2 bad chucks, me have to pick it up and put on clothes. And come out of the house. Sit down by my porch.
Rusty, sir. Should sit down outside waiting on me.
Context matter, you know. Context does matter. So you say the man them talk who are the man them.
Sorry for interrupt. May I go drive? So if you may I say anything, I drive. You heard?
Right.
Tino.
All right. Yeah.
Sparkle Rusty not alright. Because him here say whoever reach first get through. And him say no stand a chance.
So must start driving.
Bex, you know.
So him just not alright from this.
Yeah, boy. You go
Well,
tell
what's your Tino say I drive him, I go drive now?
Yeah, man. You good man. But you know what, when you drive faster, you go
Tino not gonna reach up now. A foreign Tino there.
I will buy one helicopter, man.
Okay, classic. When you go link and drive faster, side of the gate, sitting in the car, boy.
Trickster that, you know. That's all like, you know, must reach, you know, boy.
You reach, man. You are rich, man.
I'm stuck like
No, man.
Claudius myself.
We make sure it's you know, you do enough for me and him.
Hey, I want to see one Vegas in a general. I want to see one Vegas Chrome. We want to tune.
Oh, yeah, sir.
That tune away, man. That tune away, man, drop, bro. That tune half your bro got tonight.
It's all good, my man.
Hey,
Read him live, you know. I think
yeah,
I already in the. I think I can already in the scene, you know.
I know, man. I know.
Yeah, you know, I feel like I like most live, you guys sing about some lively thing, you know, jump it, you know, you guys sing them go already.
When you're youth, you know, I know Vegas, you see. Vegas, it look like a little youth to me, you know. I'm surprised when you Vegas are 50, me just 8 year old and 7 year old, a little bit older.
Yeah. Vegas are 50.
You know, you're 8 year old and want somebody a big man for them.
At one stage, man, when they want, you know, want to see him vicinity there, you know, but me see him, but, you know, whenever like, you run into people.
Yeah, Vegas practically grew up together, you know, but you don't really know me like that. You know him, but you don't.
We know Vegas long time before him was like, I used to come out here so catch up.
Vegas, man. Vegas did live when you go up and learn something in one place.
You know, I'm going to look a while still. I know if you're Aquarius time, I used to come to Aquarius and just start. They never bus yet. Start coming to record shop. Aquarius is famous, you know. I go to record shop, you know. No parties coming to record shop, you know.
You know, still, I have to give him credit, you know, because guess what? He get some.
Well, on that Chuck. Me soon come, guys. My daughter have one race. I'm going to call her because she near goes.
Alright, no problem.
Soon come here.
Okay, come here.
Forward back in a miss.
What do you mean by your soon come? Let's catch it with you already.
I wet them up, you know. I wet them up.
Yeah, man. So, man, chin soon come.
Classic reach already.
Chin soon forward.
Stop listening. Gotta check for my child.
Let's move forward.
Yeah, so I say we have to give him credit still now. Because, you know,
I'll give him props.
And guess what now? I'll show you people corrupt in a bad mind because this youth see the right and them attack the right. When I'm being the man they don't want big up them party. You understand? They never have a problem.
It's at least, man. Remember, so then give it to Bounty, you know.
I know that.
And give it to Bounty and give it to Bounty. And when I'm afraid. Bounty and labor at Bounty, so when you say me a labor at you, me tell you the truth. All right, me a labor at then now.
Yeah. A true man. Because him do all of poor people sang them in a them time when poor people really feel it.
When in the poor people for the parties, I don't want to hear that song on the radio again. Ban it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But because I where him come from them fees, him should not say rare.
But there are also people that are good still, you know.
Yeah.
You know, say person that knows PNP no good, man. Him know that, man. I was
And
trying to give me constituency.
this man we meet
Yes.
3B, you know. Them a come the show, Berry's show there. And where them come from, jungle. And the three of them want left jungle, them say them want left jungle. Because them say them tired of certain things. You understand? When me I tell them when me come from my home, me left and there, so. Them a say, boy, we will want left you, so want some fresh air, so them a say. I'm saying, now if you just left the place, now if you just left the place, because no good not there for young people, bro. I see him thing over and over, you know, so, you know, it's nice when you're honest, when you can talk the honest thing and the truth about something. And them talk the truth this morning, say them tired of it, them tired of what they go on there, you know. Nice girls them too, nice girls them, you know. We meet them this morning and them come from jungle. But, you know, I have to give praises to Vegas, man. He carry the banner and hold for people bonfire upon him, man. You know, so you go. You have to just do the work, you know. Who want yet you. So me have people approach me, but none of them don't really approach me in a violent way, but you know. They must say me I beat them bad and thing. Me say, yeah man, if you get licked, you know, on the wrong side of the fence. And if you do it, grass is green. Yes, I don't know. Them just want to try off a cake.
What do you mean I talk to some labor in my community where all are reading and PNP sit down there too. Them sit down there and them not talk, nobody not say nothing. Them not put them out in an argument. I'm just show it pan them even more. Yeah. I say, yo, who don't need for wise up and know what I vote for. When you get up every day about time come, and you can't talk where time come for. Only time you can tell me say time come and when Mark Golden tell you a plan. And you can say, yes, time come to put the plan there in place. Where time come for? You tell you where more do? So where time come for do? That mystical idiot, white Englishman told them in an idiot.
But I let the man lie to them and them nah listen no say this man I want lie. Bro. The man I want lie. That the first me ever say. If a man they accuse me say, me na Jamaican, me I take out my birth certificate and me I send it to TVJ and me I send it to CVM and me I send it to every media.
What do you mean?
The birth certificate.
What do you mean?
Me I send it to every media and so sit down and say me I know this. So no worries and send it out to everybody. And make people tap. But him know say true him have the people them behind him at school.
When the man find out some of it talk the truth, come after the conference, and the conference to beat him better than keep press conference. He said, my wife is an Afro-Jamaican, and I man was brought up here, I man grew up here.
Go up.
You said the living I walk if you know some of it.
Munchie, Happy New Year, baby girl.
Living I walk if you know my ear, if you know something.
Man, evil. Man is as evil as they come. And I can't blame the people, them, you know. I can't blame him at least. The people, them, I have to blame. People are so dieted to PMP that they refuse to accept the truth for what it is. All because of being dieted. Nothing else, you know.
You know, be dieted and know a man
you know what? Them a cultist. Mystery, them a cult. People is a cult organized.
Because they promise them the freedom. You see the freeness when I promise them. That is the reason. The main reason why we're free.
Yeah, but Denton, hear me I say to you, I'm not telling you that a man cannot promise me freeness. But in order for you to promise me freeness, you have to tell me how you're going to obtain it. So, okay then, you're going to give me that free. You're not having to pull on enough because I'm not doing that government. The country is not in a position for you can give me that free now. So tell me what are you going to do differently so that I can get it free? You cannot just
why promise them?
Get it free just so
why promise them?
And them can't tell you because
why promise
him
them?
Have a plan. Him not have a plan.
Him not have a plan, so don't have a promise.
What's your one and new name?
I manipulate the people. I manipulate the people.
Touch man? One and new name.
Touch man.
You're in a box in a munchie. I am mute. Tan.
Tandy.
Oh, Denton.
Oh.
Then Denton, what is your old name?
Good morning, everyone.
Denton, my name.
Happy
Bless
New
you, bless
Year.
you.
Good
Happy New Year,
afternoon.
Munchie.
Happy New Year, Munchie.
Happy New Year, Munchie.
If me had a name, then I use it when I miss chin. Me I keep my first name.
No man, I think that I'm my name for a long time.
I know one cute name.
Live up my
Denton.
sister, you know.
Denton?
Yeah man.
Okay. Anyway, guys,
Yes.
what say Mark Golding I go on with now?
The price on familiar, Munchie.
Very.
Munchie.
Yes.
The voice on familiar.
Very.
Very.
No man, not me man.
All right, Denton. What say Mark
Okay.
G I go on with now, Miss Chin?
I know you can't
No,
find the birth service ticket.
Live up my
in that
sister.
go
You can't
in
find the
that go
birth service
nothing new in a
ticket.
country.
Hmm?
We just a talk about the fact say the PMP them sit down on them live and they're defending Mark Golding regardless of the truth we're in them face.
Yeah, man, you're not one thing.
And this morning now over Shanstam live. I'm Labour right go ask Howard PMP say what is Mark Golding going to do now to Jamaica? The man say Mark Golding are going to get rid of corruption by putting Andrew Wellness in a jail until the court case.
Waste time with them people then.
Shit.
We are calling Mark Jefferson Golding. Morning, Mark Golding. Good morning, Marky British. Highest paid politician in Jamaica in 2025. We are calling Mark Golding today to
Bertie.
ask Mr. Man, where name? Mr. Dennis, to step aside as the councillor for the Maxfield Park Division. Where is
Just
the
like
Mark
that.
Golding? Where is the Mark Jefferson Golding? We say this theme PNP are going to have no
Call him out
corruption.
again, Munchie. Call him out again.
Where is Mark Golding? Remember, Mark Golding stood on the platform and said, when the PNP win the KSAC, they're going to make sure so they fix things and get rid of the corruption of the Jamaica Labour Party. So how is it? How is it that a PNP councillor build a 3-story building, $300 million with no permit? Mark Golding, you call Mark Golding for me, guys. Somebody send him the live, yeah,
Mark
guys.
Golding. Mark Golding.
You send Mark Golding the live,
come here.
guys.
Mark
Run
Golding,
up. No. Call him for me, Miss
Mark
Chin. You
Golding.
must have his number. Call him for me there, guys. Make him run out.
Come look at
Anyone out
that.
there?
Run out. Guys, we
Anyone
share the
out
live
there?
to the comrades and make them
Out of the
call
70
Marky G.
years.
Make him run out. No. Comrades.
All of them Munchie. Anyone out over here out of the 79 people them? Well, no son of love go over Shanstam live. Go over there, go ask Shanstam PMP friend them over there with him. Say, like, oh, no know say Mark Golding plan is to end corruption. Ask him when he might get rid of that brother there. Ask him when he might get rid of Dennis.
Want to share the live to the comrades, the guys,
now.
please.
Share to
Share
the
the
comrades
live
them,
because
let
we
them
want to
tell we.
ask them. We want if you run out. No. Come, no, quick and fast. Come
Oh,
tell me.
no, go. Yeah,
How
me
is
like
it?
how it go down now. About 4 people message drop a while ago. Uno go on over there, go ask
Yeah, man.
Shanstam
How
people
is
them.
it?
How is it that Mark Golding, according to Uno, is going to encourage? Yes, big vibes. Me see your face them. Me see say you join.
Come, guys, comrades,
This is
share
your
the
day,
live on the
Emmanuel.
PNP
Yeah, man.
WhatsApp group.
Mark Golding.
Tell
Mark
us
Golding.
Big
how Mark
voice,
Golding plan
big
to
voice.
end corruption.
Share the live in the PNP WhatsApp group, big voice.
Marky
Please
British.
share the live. Because we want to ask Mark Golding say, how is it that him say him have clean hands and pure heart and integrity and no corruption naga under theme watch, and the council from the Maxfield Park Division allegedly build a building for $300 million without no permit according to Nationwide. Come the
I know
Mark
according
Golding
to
with press
Nationwide alone,
conference.
it bill.